My lord.
Yes.
Running 39, my lord.
Yes.
My lord has got it.
Last paragraph. From the above facts.
My lord, my lord. May I read the paragraph for a moment?
Yes,
For the
from
above
the above
facts
facts and circumstantial materials available
on record and submission made from both the sides and from the police inquiry report, it is evident that the present proceeding is purely in civil nature, as it reveals from the petition of the first party as well as objection of the second party members relating to CS number 1499 of 2015. This court lacks jurisdiction to decide the above dispute. Therefore, the first party member is at liberty to establish any manner of right over the civil property by taking shelter before the competent civil court. Moreover, the allegation made by the first party being fully corroborated by the inquiry report, there is nothing to disbelieve the same. Rather, preventing breach of peace being the paramount consideration of this court, the same needs to be prevented within the purview of law. While the matter stood thus, this court is of the considered view that the restraint order passed by this court over the schedule of property on dated 8/5/2023 is hereby made absolute in the interest of justice. My lord, in one sentence, he has stated that a civil suit is pending and the matter is in civil nature. In another sentence, he is restraining me. I am the second party in the court below, restraining me from raising any construction or any type
You are
of.
challenging this order?
My lord.
Okay. Learned concept of the petitioner challenging the order passed by the additional DCP cum executive magistrate Bhubaneswar in CMC number 629 of 2023 under section 144(2) of the CRPC. Issue notice to the opposite party. The petitioner, learned concept, the petitioner submits that on the one hand, the said magistrate has mentioned that the matter is arising out of a civil dispute and this civil court is the competent jurisdiction to decide the issue, adjudicate the issue. And on the other hand, this same magistrate says that the criminal proceedings should what is the line? Yes.
My lord. The restraint order.
And also denuded of his jurisdiction to entertain the dispute, being civil court is the right jurisdiction. On the other hand, the said magistrate has stated that
My lord, he stated that this court is of the consideration the restraint order passed by this court over the civil property is made by hereby absolute.
On the other hand, he has made the restraint order absolute. So this view made by the learned magistrate is totally oxymoronic in nature. OXYMORONIC, oxymoronic in nature. Hence, the petitioner has approached this court to hence it's agreed by this order and approach this court. Issue notice to
only one
opposite party, sole opposite party. Returnable on 13th November.
And I have also filed an interim application.
Okay. In the meantime, the interim the order passed by the learned ADCP cum executive magistrate Bhubaneswar in CMC number 629 of 2023. Letter by this is stayed till further order. Hello?
Deeply obliged, my lord.
And you serve the copy.
My lord.
Serve the copy.
Within 3 days?
File the request. Just a minute. 21st November. Okay. Next.
Deeply.
Item number 3.
3, 3, whatever. None appears for the parties. This is the matter on 22nd November. Next,
Item 4.
4.
May I beg your lordship? In brief, the case is that the petitioner is implicated in Bolangir Town PS case number 92 of 2020, which corresponds to special year case number 22 of 2020 for offence under section 376, subsection 2N, 376, subsection 3, 323, 294, 506, 341, 354.
Let's the section. You just leave the section. What is the issue? Tell me.
My lord, in this case, after examination and cross-examination of prosecution, witness the case was posted for accused statement on 17/3/2023, and on that date, I appear in the case as conducting lawyer for the accused person, as the previous lawyer being engaged as a lawyer in legal aid did not appear in the impugned case. I file a petition.
Sir, don't read this. Please say without reading. Just 2 line କହିବେ ତ file ପଢିବେ ତ ଗଲା ସବୁ ଆଉ କଣ ହେଇଛି ତ କହିବେ 2 line ରେ. Why are you reading the file?
I file a petition under section 311.
What happened? Tell me in brief. Yes, what happened?
And
You are not prepared. Come prepared, sir. Whenever you are arguing a matter, please come prepared. This shows you have not prepared properly.
Your Honor, after
Just tell me. If you are not comfortable, tell in Odia, no problem. Tell me. କଣ ହେଇଛି କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ହଉଛି ଏଇ କେସର ଫୋନ ନମ୍ବର ଆଡଭୋକେଟ ୟୁର ଅନର।
Sorry?
ମୁଁ ଫୋନ ନମ୍ବର ଆଡଭୋକେଟ ଆଉ ମୋ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଯୋଉ 3ଟା ଆଡଭୋକେଟ ସେମାନେ କହିଥିଲେ
ଛାଣ ତ ସେଇଟା କିଏ ଥିଲା ଆଡଭୋକେଟ ଆମ ମତଲବ ନାହିଁ। କଣ ହେଇଛି କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
ସେମାନେ କ୍ରସ୍ ଏକ୍ସାମିନେସନ ସାଇଡ ଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ମୁଁ at the time of accused statement time ରେ ମୁଁ appear କଲି ସାର୍। ଆଉ ତାପରେ 11 ପିଟିସନଟା ଫାଇଲ କଲି ୟୁର ଅନର। ମୁଁ ଫାଇଲ କଲା ପରେ ଦ ଲାଡେନ୍ ଜଜ ପୋକ୍ସୋ କୋର୍ଟ ସେଟା ରିଜେକ୍ଟ କଲି ୟୁର ଅନର।
କୋଉ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ରେ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ କଲେ?
Your only ground that under section 311 CRPC has been filed at this belated stage only to linger the case, Your Honor.
Sorry?
To linger the case only. Ground there.
Linger. Okay. So he did not allow further adjournment.
Yeah.
The matter was of which year?
Yeah. After closure of the evidence and at the stage of examination of accused, he has filed an application for recall of the witnesses and PW 4, 5, and 7.
That can also be sometime if it is a necessary thing that
Yes,
can be allowed also.
Yes.
So he has challenged that. That's not a
Yes,
problem.
yes,
Yes. So what kind of witnesses you wanted to examine, sir?
Your Honor,
Are they vital for this thing? Who is that witness?
PW4 is the mother of the victim, PW5 victim, and PW7.
So you wanted to examine the mother of the victim.
4, 5,
That was
7
not allowed.
parents and the victim, Your Honor.
Victim has been examined. How she has come to court how many times?
One time, Your Honor.
Victim generally in POXO cases they are not called again and again.
And May it please your lordship. And the petitioner has challenged the order of the learned additional session judge, whereby the learned session judge has confirmed the judgment of learned JMFC Sukinda, whereby the petitioner has been convicted for.
Please don't talk inside courtroom, please. I get disturbed. Please don't do this. Those who want to talk, please go outside and talk. I don't mind. There are chairs outside. Please sit. Aram se. Dukha sukha huantu kichi mana nahi. Court vitra pura silence maintain kari. Yes.
And the petitioner challenged the judgment of the learned additional session judge, whereby he has confirmed the judgment of learned JMFC Sukinda, whereby the petitioner has been convicted for offence under section 138 of NI Act and sentenced to imprisonment for 1 month, my lord.
Yep. So you are challenging that.
My lord.
What about compensation?
Compensation is ready to pay compensation. Ma'am, the
You
20,
pay the compensation, I'll take it.
the 20% amount I am ready to pay, ma'am.
You have to pay. What ready to pay?
Ma'am.
You have to pay.
Ma'am.
The petitioner, the petitioner has filed the present CRL REV challenging the judgment dated 19/8/2023 passed by the learned additional session judge Jaipur Road in criminal appeal number 2 of 2023 arising out of judgment dated 25/1 of 2023 passed in ICC number 1333 of 2016 by the learned Ram Nyadhikari cum JMFC Sukinda where full stop where out sentence out lamba hi pala ni ଗୋଟେ sentence ପୁରା ପୃଥ୍ୱୀ ଯାକ କଥା ଲେଖିଦେବ short sentence ଲେଖି ଆସୁ ଜାଣୁନି short sentence is always effective sentence. You know, na, you have at least this much you must have known by now.
Right.
Why are you writing such a long sentence? Be short. Short is more expressive. Long sentence koribe se sentence last ko ala the first part kon thila bhuli gechi. Always write short sentence.
Right.
Don't write long sentence.
Right.
The same thing. Order एमानकु ट्रेंड करछि चेंज कर स्टाइल चेंज करछि माने एंति लेखନ୍ତି गुटे सेंटेंस लिखि देबे सेते सब पळे आसे लास्ट को 10 लाइन थिबा से गुटे सेंटेंस सेते सब पळे आसे दिस इज नॉट राइट वे ऑलवेज राइट शॉर्ट सेंटेंस स्पीक्स फोर्सफुली देन लॉन्ग सेंटेंस ऑलवेज यूज शॉर्ट सेंटेंस जो माने बहुत माने भला भला स्कॉलर माने देखियो शॉर्ट सेंटेंस लिखि नोबेल प्राइज विनर माने लेखନ୍ତି ता देखियो जो लिटरेचर में शॉर्ट सेंटेंस the lamba lakhan.
Right.
Because short can express many things than the long cannot. Right?
Right.
Next time I want to see short sentence.
Right.
मैं bifurcate, trifurcate, quadrifurcate, चारटा पांचटा छोटा change कर दूँ. Okay, now whereby the learned court has confirmed the judgment contract. So the short sentence. The petitioner is challenging the said order. What is the ground for challenge?
Well, on the cross examination, the opposite party who has the complainant in the case, he has said that another person, namely Basanta Bera, he has issued the check and the signature of the present petitioner has also been put by that person. And it is the defense of it is the defense raised by the
so you are saying you have not signed the check?
Signed the check, ma'am.
Whose account?
That is check, the account number is my check.
Check is yours.
Check is yours, but the sign has not been put by me. And he has also admitted in the cross examination that
have you filed a criminal case against the person? If it is not your sign?
No, ma'am.
Then how will you say that there is not your sign? If you really agree with that, you should have approached the police.
Right.
You have not done that.
No.
You should have filed an FIR against the person. If you think that
Right.
somebody has signed your check, you should
Right.
have. Where have you? You have not done that.
No, ma'am.
That is fault on your part.
But that is a fault.
That is the greatest defense you could have taken. That you have not done that.
Right.
Court
Also, there are certain other discrepancies.
What are the discrepancies? The first discrepancy you are demolished. Second. No,
And-
second one.
Also, regarding the petitioner had raised a defense that the opposite party does not have the capacity to pay that amount, my lord. However,
Opposite party doesn't have the capacity to pay.
I mean the complainant. The complainant has said that he has
How capacity ମାପିବା ପାଇଁ କଣ ଗୋଟେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କିଛି ଅଛି କି?
no, my lord, considering that
କିଏ କୋଉଟା ଆଣିବ କେମିତି ଆଣିବ ଚୋରିକି ବି ଆଣିବ କେମିତି ଆପଣ capacity କେମିତି ମାପିଦେଲେ?
my lord, however, that could be a defense, my lord. He has said that his mother is
This is a poor defense. କେତେ ବଡ amount କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା?
2,50,000.
2,50,000 ଆଜିକାଲି ତ ଏମିତି ଛୋଟ ଲୋକମାନେ ପାଇଯିବେ କେତେ ପ୍ରକାର ବାଟ ଅଛି the capacity, don't question the capacity of a person. So that is again a poor defense.
However, there are case laws, my lord.
Case law ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁନି facts ଆଗ
My lord.
case law mania ଅଛି ନା ଏଇ ବହୁତ ଲୋକ ଏଇଟା ଛାଡ ଆଗ facts ବୁଝ law ବୁଝ ତାପରେ case law କୁ ଯାଅ ଆଗ case law କୁ ଉଲ୍ଟା ସବୁବେଳେ facts କୁ ବୁଝ ଆଗ facts ବୁଝିକିରି case law ଦେଖାଯାଏ
on facts also.
ଉଲ୍ଟା ସବୁ ଖାଲି case law ଅଛି case law criminal case ରେ ମାନିବାକୁ ବାଧ୍ୟ ନୁହେଁ କୋର୍ଟ ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ ନିଜେ କହୁଛି criminal case ରେ ଯୋଉ precedence value case law or value no.
Right.
Then why are you saying this?
Well, on facts also, see,
You are applying for lectureship na in law.
I had
And
applied.
you had,
I had.
and you are not aware about these things.
Well, on facts also, he has stated that he borrowed that amount from his mother who is earning pension.
Hmm. Okay, let's issue notice. Baki dam nahi hai. It will fall flat.
It will be fate of the petitioner, my lord.
That's true. I'm just expressing my
Right.
mind.
Right.
I have not decided yet.
Right.
Just simply a casual expression of mind.
Right.
Okay. Mm, The petitioner is agreed by the fact that though the check was in his name, he has not signed the check.
Right.
And also some multiple discrepancies are found in this case. Hence, he has approached this court by virtue of this presence here. Considering the submission made by the petitioner, the counsel of the petitioner, this court is of the view that notice be issued to opposite party number,
Sole opposite party.
sole opposite party. Allah. Stay.
Stay of the realization of the fine amount and the bail, my lord. IA for bail. The petitioner was
10% region.
20%. That
Sorry, 20%.
20%. That may be directed, my lord.
Huh?
I'll pay that amount. Subject to payment of that amount,
20% of the awarded amount.
my lord.
Hmm?
My lord, without prejudice to the petitioner.
Okay, the petitioner is directed to deposit with the court.
My lord.
The court below 20% of the awarded amount, and on payment of the said amount, there shall be a stay of the fine,
Realization of fine and
stay of the relation of fine.
the petitioner be on bail, my lord. Petitioner be on bail. The petitioner was bail during the trial, also during the appeal, my lord.
Okay. Second item.
My lord. Second,
631.
My-
631 ta? Well done.
my lord. 6.
631 11. Since the petitioner was on bail throughout the trial, and petitioner is granted bail on such terms and conditions as the courts of the matter. Okay.
Obliged.
Place the matter on 20th November.
Obliged.
You file the representation filed within 3 working days from today.
Fine.
Next.
6.
Registered post, huh? Registered post. One chapter. One chapter. Why? Fifth, not the fifth.
6.
Six.
Item number 6.
कौन अच्छी है?
So, my discharge application has been rejected by the Learned Trial Court.
Your
My discharge
Discharge
application,
application.
my lord,
discharge for what?
discharge from the offence under section 307 for 51.
कौन है इसमें?
All petitioners are ladies. There is a family dispute with the petitioner's family and informer's family.
How?
Informer's family. The
Never.
yes, out of quarrel, the petitioner's husband assaulted. I have not assaulted. I have not any. Only the present petitioner was present at the spot. Learned Trial Court reflected that observation in the rejection order. The categorical stated that they were not assaulted. Only they were present. Police submitted charge sheet. Initial FIR was registered against 11 persons. 4 persons deleted. Charge sheet submitted 7 persons. Out of which present petitioner is one
So
of them.
you didn't have any role there.
କିଛି ରୋଲ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ
No
କୋର୍ଟ
role is attributed to.
କିଛି ରୋଲ ନାହିଁ ଖାଲି ଆମେ ସେଠି ଉଭୟଙ୍କର ପରିବାର ବର୍ଗ ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ଥିଲେ
Husband ଟା କିଛି କଲେ?
ହଁ ସେମାନେ ବାଡେଇ
କଣ କଲେ husband? ଫଳିଆରେ ମାରିଲେ?
ବାଡିରେ ବାଡେଇଛନ୍ତି ସିମ୍ପଲ ଇଞ୍ଜୁରୀ ଆଉଟ ଅଫ ପିଟିସନ ଅଫ
Police ଜରି କାହାକୁ ମାରିଲେ?
ଇନଫର୍ମାଣ୍ଟ
Informant
ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟନର ଲର୍ଡସିପ ସି ଦ ଅର୍ଡର
କିଏ informant ଟା କିଏ?
ଇନଫର୍ମାଲ ଲର୍ଡସିପ ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟି ନମ୍ବର 2 ସଜନୀ ଦେବୀ
ଆଁ?
ସଜନୀ ଦେବୀ ତା ପୁଅକୁ
ଆଚ୍ଛା, ଗୋଟେ ସଜନୀ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସଜନୀକୁ ମାରିଲା। ଆଉ ନାଇଁ sorry
ତା
ସଜନା
ପୁଅକୁ
ମାରିଲା।
ବାଡେଇଲେ
ସଜନା
ହେଲେ-
ସଜନୀକୁ ମାରିଛି। ତାହେଲେ ତ ସିଧା ଆଉ।
ଆମେ ଖାଲି ଉଭୟ ପରିବାର
You are the wife.
ଆମେ ସବୁ ଲେଡିଜ ଗୋଟେ ତାପରେ ପିଟିସନ ନମ୍ବର 3 ଅଛି
The husband ମାନେ is
ହଁ।
ଖାଲି wife ପାଇଁ ତ?
yes
Okay, so I am taking time then. I am issuing notice.
yes ma'am.
The petitioner, the present, the CRL.
There are 4 petitioners.
The divisional powers of this court under 401 of CRPC to set aside the order letter 17/8/2023 passed by the London SCJ cum CGM Hon'Ble in CTS of case number 62 of 2023 rising out of wow. He further submits that the petitioner has not played any role in the said scuffle, the alleged scuffle between the husband of the, however, the husband of the present petitioner had some role.
Lordship, husband was petition number 1 to 4.
Husband,
Petition number 1, 2 and 4. ସେମାନେ ବାଡେଇଛନ୍ତି। Husband of petition number 1 and petition number 2 and petition number 4.
ସମୁଖର husband ବାଡେଇଛନ୍ତି।
ସମସ୍ତର husband 3 ଜଣ ବାଡେଇଛନ୍ତି।
ଏଇଥିରେ husband ମାନେ ନାହିଁ ତ?
ନା।
ତାହେଲେ ହେଲା ଆଉ। All the petitioner husbands are alleged to have petitioner husbands alleged to have played some role in the scuffle and however the petitioners have not played any role in the said scuffle, yet the discharge application has not captured the said fact in proper perspective. In such view of the matter, that notice be issued to opinion number 2, 1 and 2. One छाड़ देंगे।
Like one state I will soft copy.
हाँ 1 and 2 बहुत ना ये sorry सीधे लिखो Mr. Moon waves of notice on behalf of the state
Well,
and to be served on through registered post returnable on 22nd November ହେଲା
well,
ଆଉ କିଛି କହିବେନି
stay further.
ହଁ ସେ କହିବେନି ମୁଁ ୱେଟ୍ କରିଛି ଏଥିରେ ଏମିତି କୋଉ କୋର୍ଟ ଥିବ ଯୋଉଠି ଷ୍ଟେ ଆପଣ କରନ୍ତୁ ବୋଲି କହିବା ଥିବ ଆପଣ ଏଟା କହିବାକୁ ପଡୁଛି ଷ୍ଟେ IRA ଲେଖିଦେବେ there shall be a stay of further proceedings in city case number 52 of 2023 pending in the court of learned session judge Hon'Ble with respect to the above petitioners
Yes,
only,
respect
with
of-
respect to the above petitioners till the disposal of the matter. Till the disposal of the till the further order लिख दिया till further with respect to the above 4 petitioners.
Lordship, now case has been transferred to for trial. Assistant session judge comes.
I am saying court session about the matter. The particular
Madam.
due court थिबो सेठी बुझियो
Madam.
session about the matter. Court ना लिखियो court session about the matter. Next.
Item 7,
That is
22nd.
22nd.
May I please? On behalf of Mr. Sahu, my lord, undertake to remove the defect in
Item
meantime.
7.
Yes, ma'am.
Remove defect remove करनी
No, ma'am.
कौन सी defect?
On
Defect
behalf of
कौन-
Mr. Sahu, my lord.
Huh?
On behalf of Mr. Sahu, my lord.
ऐ सुनो तो बिहार पछे में कौन defect कौन हाँ एजी कॉपी में यहाँ पर कॉपी दे देंगे ऐसे सुन देवा देंगे भाई defect
Ma'am,
किसी
can
defect-
pass over?
आगे करो तो
No, ma'am. I have no power. sir.
ଆପଣ ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ହେଲ୍ପ କରୁଛି କଣ କେସ୍ ଟା ପଡିବ
ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଦେଇକି ଗଲେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ
ରୋଜ
ସାଙ୍ଗେ
ପଢନ୍ତୁ ନା ଯାହା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ପଢନ୍ତୁ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଖାଲି criminal revision is directed against
conviction-
judgment or conviction that
conviction
passed
5
by the
years
land additional Barampur convict the present petitioner under section 307 of petition under 5 years and 2 okay lega it first so sorry the petitioners कौन था रोल टा कौन
We are confirming judgment. And there was not stated any valid ground in the appeal members.
Okay. Issue notice.
You are saying.
Issue notice to
Yeah.
the opposite
It is
party
done like a
number.
Conviction.
I notice jau. Opposite party number. State, okay, state, learned counsel for the
State for
state has already received the copy. And list the matter on. I କହିବିନି? I କିଛି କହିବିନି? Huh?
Division admit habo, bail ଯିବ, stay ହବ।
Else.
ତେଣୁ let it come on some other day.
Admit ତ କରିଦେବି well ଯିବ କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଇଗଲା? Admit
Five years
କରିଦେବି ଯାହା ଲେଖିବା କଥା ଲେଖିଦିଅ stay ଲଗେଇଦେବି ଯା।
FIR
stay ହେଇଗଲା ମ ଏତେ
5 years conviction ଅଛି।
ତ କଣଟା ହେଇଗଲା? ଏମିତି କୋଉଠି ନିୟମ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଯେ 5 years stay ଦିଆହେବନି ବୋଲି? ସେ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଲେଖିଦେବି ତାଙ୍କ ନା କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଲା? ଆଉ ତୁ ଛାଡ ସେଇଠୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସିନିୟର ଆସିବ ଜଗିଥିବି ଆଉ ଥରେ ଲଗେଇବି। ଲଗେଇଦେବା stay କରିଦେବି। Okay, the conviction. Till further order, list the matter on. Baki because your senior is not present, I am giving you short date, that is 2nd November. Hello?
Obliged.
Admit and call for the
Admit सब कर दूची, सब करा होची. Admit call for exam सब लिख दे. hello? He knows the pattern. Don't worry.
Bail mail. Bail. Bail.
हाँ सेटा भी दिया वो.
Obliged.
You did everything without reading anything. Yes. जाओ. Next.
Item 8.
8.
Item 8 में kindly pass over. Mr. Mohanty is not there.
Again same thing. पढ़न तो पढ़िया.
नहीं ମୋ ପାଖେ file ନାହିଁ restoration
File दे दे तू. ये ना restoration पे.
नहीं है restoration में
Okay, restoration done.
Right.
ହେଇଗଲା ଚାଲ. Restoration the file will be related to restore the file. Okay, next.
Item 9.
yes may I the petitioners are the members of the truck owners association.
Item 9.
Item 9.
Next.
Well, the petitioners are the members of the truck owners association. It's a registered truck owners association. And all the allegations are against the president of the association regarding misappropriation and all these things. Election. Well, my limited prayer is the one representation is pending before the collector came here. It was pending. Yeah, 1/6/23.
Okay.
Annexure 2 is the representation.
The present petitioner has filed. So what is your prayer?
My prayer is my prayer is for inquiry. Inquiry, my lord, there is the allegation that the president of the association misappropriating the funds. So I have made application to the collector and to the IGR also. Saying that the inquiry may be done. That representation is pending before the both the authorities. Annexure 2 and
The
3.
petitioners are the members of the Ma Tarini Tipper and Truck Owners Association, where the Ma Tarini Tippers and Truck Owners Association functioning at Brahmani Pal in district of Keonjhar, which is a registered body under Society Registration Act 1860. BD registration number KJR 583605 of 2021-22 dated 22/7/2021. Although the registered office of the petitioner is mentioned at Moja Tentudi Pal under Harichandanpur Tehsil Khata number so and so. The petitioner is agreed by what is it you are saying with the
My lord, the president of the association, who is sitting, everything is with him, my lord. He is not giving the accounts to the IGR, not to the, so also to the members. And he is not allowing to conduct the election, my lord. These are all the
president
allegations.
is obstructing the election process, nor does he share with the documents of the association. Hence, he is constrained to approach this court. And he has also approached to the collector Keonjhar. I collector Keonjhar ko jibe city pending thibo, let the matter be solved here.
Yes, sir.
I am issuing notice saying
Yes,
jibe
yes,
se
yes.
pore ke rakhe do kuch fayda nahi. Issue notice to the opposite 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 waves of notice by Moon and 5 through registered post with ID. Right, no, not ID, registered post. This the matter I am giving short date, 3rd November.
Yes.
Will you solve here?
Yes.
Our counter agenda को जीवी नहीं.
नहीं.
Straight away, I'll pass it.
आगे.
Let them come.
आगे.
Upon in a why the collector is sitting over that representation. Like that consider the state also to take instruction as to why the collector has not decided the representation of the present petitioner for such a long time. I'll push up. So the collector affidavit and the collector should file an affidavit with respect to this. Okay. If J officer bossy was sitting, tar affidavit magi tha. Let's see that. Next.
Item 11.
11.
The petitioner is the intending candidate for the Anganwadi worker lordship. Now the advertisement under Annex 10.
What is the problem? Come straight to the problem.
The
Need not
problem
say all
is
these
that the service area mentioned in the
Only
advertisement.
service area.
Yes, sir. That is the dispute lordship. Only service area.
Who was selected? You or the other person?
Nobody selected. Selection process is going on, your lordship.
And what is your problem?
My problem is that I am unable to apply for the in this advertisement
Why?
due to the service area is not existing now. The service area mentioned in the advertisement also, it was earlier. Now due to mega Kanpur mega irrigation project lordship, the entire village has been evacuated to a RR colony lordship.
Similar order. Suktel I passed 2-3 order. Suktel river project. Similar order. এটা কিন্তু অলগা আরে বাবা সার্ভিস বা গোটে গাঁ গোটে উঠি যাଉଛି ସେ ଗାଁ କୁ ଉଠି ଯିବ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ ତାକୁ ଡିସପ୍ଲେସ କରାହେଲା ହଁ କଲୋନୀ ହେଲା ସେ କଲୋନୀରେ ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ସେଇ ଜାଗାରେ ସର୍ଭିସ ଏରିଆ ଆଇଡେଣ୍ଟିଫାଇ ତମେ କଲେ ତ ସେ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିବ
ଏଇଠି ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉ ସର୍ଭିସ ଏରିଆ ଅଛି ତାର ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିବା ତା ଏରିଆଟା
advertisement जो सर्विस एरिया ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି जो स्पेसिफिक घर लिखिଛନ୍ତି ଅଜୟ ନାୟକ ଘର 1 ନମ୍ବର
ଆରେ ଏଇ ଡିସପ୍ଲେସମେଣ୍ଟ ଏରିଆ ରେ ବି ଯୋଉ ଘର ବାଟ କାଢିବାଟା ଭେରି ବ୍ୟାଡ
ନା ଟୋଟାଲ ସେଟା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମର୍ଜ ହୋଇ ଯାଇଛି ଇନ ଦ ଇରିଗେସନ ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ ସେ ଏରିଆ ସେଟୁ ଆମକୁ
that I know sir that much I understand
ମାଇନର
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଶିଫ୍ଟ କରାଯାଇଛି ଅଲଗା ଜାଗାରେ ରଖାଯାଇଛି କଲୋନୀ
ସେଇଠି ଅଙ୍ଗନୱାଡି ସେଣ୍ଟରଟା ସେଇଠି ଚାଲିଥିଲା
ସେଠି ଚାଲିବ ତ ସେଠି ତାର ବାଇଫର୍କେସନ ଟ୍ରାଇଫର୍କେସନ ଯୋଉଟା କରିବା ସର୍ଭିସ ଏରିଆ ବନାନି
ଅଙ୍ଗନୱାଡି ସେଣ୍ଟର ସେଠି ହେଇକି ସେଠି ଚାଲିଥିଲା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯେହେତୁ ସୁପରଭେନସନ କଲେ ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ ଅଙ୍ଗନୱାଡି ୱାର୍କର ନ୍ୟୁ ୱାର୍କର ପାଇଁ ଆଡଭର୍ଟାଇଜମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ସର୍ଭିସ ଏରିଆଟା ସେମାନେ ଆଡଭର୍ଟାଇଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ଯେହେତୁ ଏ ଘର ଏ ଜାଗାରେ ଏ ଘରର ଲୋକ ଆଉ ନାହିଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ସବୁ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ଲେସ ରେ କରାହେଇଛି
yes land council of the petitioner is agreed by the advertisement dated
10/8/2023 Annex 1
issued by the CDPO Joda for the selection of Anganwadi worker in respect of Thoba
Kuchida
Bhuyana Sahi.
Bhuya Sahi. Yes, sir.
Sorry, Bhuya Sahi. Apan gote word kar dechi na.
Se gote ta naata se abol.
Na, gap achi.
Nahi sir,
Kuchudi Bhuya Sahi heitibo. Apan gote word bane dechi.
Na Annex 10 lekha hai.
Na hindi hoini. Annex na tha. Apan nije jodi dechi. To alga sir, alga. Thoba Kuchudi Bhuya Sahi.
Seita lekha hai ji page 10 re.
So, Sai AWC of Cham Kapoor under Budbill Municipality, Ward number 2, placed in serial number 6, where the service area mentioned is wrongly mentioned. As such, the same have been merged with the Kanpur mega irrigation project, and the inhabitants of those, the displaced persons of those inhabitants, displaced person of those areas are they have established the present colony, and the said advertisement does not recognize the service area, and hence it has not reflected in the advertisement. Accordingly, the petitioner seeks that seeks an order from this court that a proper service area should be earmarked so that she can apply. Okay, in such view of the matter, land council the state to take instruction is on this state. List the matter on 18. 18. Take instruction.
ILRC file.
I rohantu se instruction dane be
process
kichi nahi I diya habani.
ता भितरे जदि सिलेक्शन वर्तमान समान
olga don't worry habani ela mo achi I'll take care of that, don't worry. Let him take instruction kichi habani. Government ete fast dhanta to apna kebe selection is apna code ase moka milanthani kai pauchindi moka
already date ପଳେଇଛି ତ 8 ମାସରୁ ହେଇଥିଲା ଲର୍ଡସିପ till then ଲର୍ଡସିପ protect
nothing. Key
ସେମାନେ
protection
ସେମାନେ
ଦେବି? What protection you want?
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ
ନା protection ଟା କଣ ମତେ କହିଲେ? କୋଉ ପ୍ରକାର protection ରେ ବତେଇଲେ?
protection ହଉଛି ଯେ
କଣ?
till then selection process ବି stayed ଲର୍ଡସିପ otherwise ଲର୍ଡସିପ ଦେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଲୋକମାନେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଅଲଗା ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ ରଖିଛନ୍ତି ସେଇ ନାଁରେ ସେମାନେ politically motivated ହେଇକିରି ଆଉ ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ସିଲେକ୍ଟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ବାଛନ୍ତି illegally.
The selection process shall not be be completed without the leave of the court. Like that. Hala?
Oblige Lord.
Next,
Item 12.
12. ଆପଣ ଇଏ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେଇଦିନ ଖତମ କରିବି ଏମିତି ଜିନିଷ ଗୋଟେ ଲମ୍ବା ପକେଇକିରି ତାର ଷ୍ଟେ ହେଇଗଲା ପରେ ଆଉ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଉଠିବନି ଗୁଡାଏ ମ୍ୟାଟର ସେୟା ହଉଛି ମୁଁ ଦେଖୁଛି ଆଉ ଉଠୁନି ତାର କାରଣ ଅଲଗା ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ହଁ ସେଦିନ ଗୋଟେ ଏନଭାୟରନମେଣ୍ଟ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଷ୍ଟେ ହେଲା ପରେ ସେ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଆଉ ଉଠୁନି କଣ ପାଇଁ ମାସେ 2 ମାସ କଟିଲୁ 8 ଦିନ ଦେଇଥିଲି ଷ୍ଟେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଉଠୁନି ହଁ करके पकड़ लगा नेक्स्ट मंडे रे लागवा दरकार मंडे नाले ट्यूसडे लगा जत्ते सेमता मैटर सब लगा स्टे नेगरी जोर बस पड़ जोटा स्टे नेगरी ओवर स्टे रे रहिला ना सब लगा मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे लगा सब पूरा फैशन है अच्छा स्टे नेगला पर आ मैटर होची रेस्ट रे कोन होजी भगवान जाने नेक्स्ट
मतलब petitioner was a loanee availed loan to the tune of 20 lakhs. Paid now around 5 lakhs is pending. He is in financial constraint and approached the bank for OTS. They are not responding to it.
Sir, court को OTS दे बोली कि कौन सी sorry
खाली consideration. मु कहूनी तांको दबा के न दबा.
कौनसी कोर्ट रा पावर नाही कौनसी कोर्ट कौनसी बैंक को ओटीएस दे बोली जदी जो कोर्ट दउची से कोर्ट तो मूर्ख कोटा पृथ्वी रे नाही
मु
केवल आपण कहबे
मु पूरा सर
सजेस्ट करिवे हां जे नाही जदी अछि दे दियन
हां
जदी इफ अवेलेबल
सर
दे ओटीएस दे
नहीं
कोर्ट कौन सी कोर्ट कहबे
सेटा तांको ऑप्शन मु सेटा दैट इज द लॉ आई डोंट डिस्प्यूट मोर कंसीडर करन तो मते अलगा
कंसीडर काहे की मु करिवे मु पार्टी के डाकुची एटी सेटल कर देबी
आज्ञा
दैट्स व्हाट आई डू
अब नोटिस करो
प्रतिदिन 3-4 केस
से फाइनेंशियल ये को
आपण केते पैसा बाकी अछि
मोर बाकी 5 लाख अराउंड
5 लाख केबे देबे केते दिन में देबे सॉल्व करी आ ओटीएस फटे जान एठी ओटीएस कर दो बैंक भी रेडी
आज्ञा सु मु
आसु पास ने केते दिन भीतर दे परबे
25 लोकटा को 50
मु लगे दोसी 10 रे लगे दोसी आपण इंस्ट्रक्शन है क्या सदु के दिन में बैंक वाला को डाके बैंक
नोटिस ता जाऊ बैंक
को बैंक
ये फाइनेंस बैंक नो फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन ब्रांच मैनेजर पुनावाला फाइनेंस कॉर्पोरेशन लिमिटेड फर्स्ट फ्लोर निर्मला प्लाजा A1 फॉरेस्ट पार्क भुवनेश्वर मु नै जाउ छी स्टेप्स काली
पुनावाला फाइनेंस कॉर्पोरेशन को आइलानी यदि हां तो एनबीएफसी गुडा को
सर
these are NBFC चोरो NBFC ने चिट फंड देखिना थी सेंटा वेराइटी आउट वेराइटी
मते प्राइवेट लगै कि ताको एजेंसी लगै कि होइचै करछ मु आपन पाको आसीले से कंसीडर करले मु भी चाहू कि क्लोज करिया
नहीं एटी आनी से दबो कोन कंसीडर आपन से आसीबो आपन जे मानिबो आपन पैसा देबो खत्म
सर आपन डाकंतु ताको
इशू नोटिस टोपी नंबर 2 बाय रजिस्टर्ड पोस्ट आपन पठांतु
काली दे देबी मोर को जाई
हां काली कोन हां काली अछि
ओ सोमवार काली
within 3 working days from today हला and list the matter on 12 रे आसु
आगे
हला ए भुवनेश्वर ता जल्दी पहुंच जी बाय रजिस्टर्ड पोस्ट बाय स्पीड पोस्ट / रजिस्टर्ड पोस्ट दुइटे
सर
Item 13.
Please, Lord, sir. This is a matter relating to invocation of bank guarantee, illegal invocation of bank guarantee by OP number 2.
Why illegal invocation?
Yes, madam. OP number 1. Because petitioner is a contractor working under OP number 1. The work value of the work is 41 crores and all. So during the course of execution of work, the petitioner engaged the OP number 2 to do some part of work. And OP number 1, who is the owner,
Civil work.
IOCL,
Civil work. This is civil work.
yes, my lord. So, he has no contract with the OP number 2. OP number 2 was engaged by me to perform a part of the job.
Here for? Here for?
I am for the petitioner. I am for the contractor, main
Here for the
contractor.
contractor. Who is this OP number 2?
OP number 2 is a subcontractor under me. Subcontractor means I engaged him to
Some part
perform
of
a
work.
specific portion of the work,
Okay, understood.
and there was no contract with the IOCL with OP number 2. There was no privity of contract between.
So obviously, sir, your subcontractor, why IOCL side
Exactly. Yes, yes. So there was some dispute between OP number 2 and me. So I terminated his contract, and so he filed a claim against me and OP number 1 before the MSME Council at Ranchi, Jharkhand.
Arbitration.
Arbitration.
Then what happened?
And the award was passed against me.
More quarter 9.
No, it specially assigned this matter was your lordship.
Arbitration bench.
No, it is not arbitration, my lord. It is not relating to arbitration. That is nothing. But just it is a factual.
MSME Council award he helani na he ni.
No, he set aside. Ranchi High Court has set aside. That is not the case. Even after the case is closed, OP number 1. Again?
Bank guarantee
No, bank guarantee invoke when the case has been set aside. Your lordship, just for a moment. Your lordship may kindly appreciate the fact. So that award was set aside by the Jharkhand High Court. After that, OP number 1, who has no privity of contract with the OP number 2, being apprehensive, has encashed my bank guarantee.
This IOCL?
Yes, my lord. So now the question is, when there is no case pending against them, and when there's specific stand before the council and before the Honorable High Court of Jharkhand, there is no privity of contract.
Anything that about this bank guarantee was dealt with in
no,
order?
That has not been paid, but they have encashed it and kept it with them. That is the whole problem. Because
answer my question.
Yes,
in the award passed by the MSME Council, anything relating to this bank guarantee?
No, nothing.
Then next, the award, in the appeal 37. Jharkhand High Court has stated anything about this bank guarantee?
No, my lord.
Nothing. So now it is only afterthought.
Yes, it is an afterthought.
Okay.
They have encashed my guarantee as a preemptive measure in apprehension. In future, if they will be liable, they can.
What is the amount?
It is a bank guarantee 3 crores and odd. 3
They have already taken.
They have encashed it. They have encashed it. They have not paid it to OP number 2. They have kept with them. So I am an existing contractor. The work is continuing.
OP number 2 ke kete debar achi ki?
OP number 2, 1 crore and odd, but his claim is 1 crore and odd, but they have encashed the entire bank guarantee on that. And earlier I approached this Honorable Court. This Honorable Court directed.
Sir, कौन करी भी नहीं साइलानी से?
नहीं
साइलानी.
से नहीं साइलानी. Let them not pay it to the OP number 2, because no case is pending, no award has been passed, making them liable to pay. The question is, your lordship knows very well, so I need not elaborate. Under the Arbitration Act, even if the matter goes to the MSME Council, under the Arbitration Act, in absence of any contract between the parties, a stranger cannot be dragged to the arbitration proceeding. That is the law.
That is fine, but that part is now you are not dealing with that part.
So IOCL in any case is not going to be made liable for the dispute between me and the OP number 2.
Saying that the bank should not have allowed to encase that. I should have.
That was placed. Bank guarantee. So my only prayer is.
Immediately actually file kar deleni in this.
Na heithala par ame asithulu. Se koile the order I have annexed. Your lordship may kindly see also. That order I have also annexed. That order I have.
Representation.
Yes.
Representation.
No. Representation that your lordship may kindly see order dated 87 to 90. Annexure 8. Your lordship may kindly. Have a glance. 87. 87. 87. This was the order passed by this honorable court. So after this, without hearing me,
without going into the merit of the case in the order କିଛି ହୁଏନି bank को ଯଦି restrain କରିଦେଲେ bank order
no, no, bank to say ନେଇ ସାରିଛନ୍ତି already. Bank to say ନେଇ ସାରିଛନ୍ତି.
ତାପରେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଏଥର ଆଇଥିଲେ ଆଉ ଥରେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆଇଲେ ତାହେଲେ
ନା ନା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ now
ଆଗରୁ ଆସିଥିଲେ କୋର୍ଟ କୁ କଣ ପାଇଁ
ନା ନା ଆଗରୁ ଆସିଥିଲେ ଏଥିପାଇଁ କୋର୍ଟ କହିଲେ IOCL is to consider and after hearing me.
କଣ ଏଟା ବାର କଣ ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ ଚାଲିଛି ଆପଣ ଆଗରୁ ଆଇଥିଲେ ସେଇ ସେମ୍ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ପାଇଁ ଏବେ ପୁଣି ଆସିଲେ ସେମ୍ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ପାଇଁ କଣ ପାଇଁ
ଏଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ annexure 9 your lordship may kindly turn to annexure 9 at page 91.
order କହନ୍ତି ଏଟାକୁ order ମାନେନି ମୁଁ ଏବେ
Yes.
ଏବେ representation order କୁ order ବୋଲି ମାନୁନି ମୁଁ
That's it.
ନା ବିଲକୁଲ ମାନିନି ତ
So your lordship may kindly so
ଏଇଥିରେ କିଛି ହେବାର ନାହିଁ ସାର୍ representation order ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି କଣ ପାଇଁ ମତେ
ନା, ନା।
representation order ଦେଖିବିନି
ଠିକ ଅଛି
ପ୍ଲିଜ ସରି ବନ୍ଦ କରନ୍ତୁ
all right I am not showing it to your lordship may appreciate
ପଇସା ପଲିସ ହେଲାଣି ଆଉ ଏବେ
appraise
ହାତରୁ ମାଛ ଖସି ସାରିଲାଣି
yes yes your lordship may kindly consider appraise without going into the history of the case your lordship may
history geography କଣ ଦେଖିବି
history
କିଛି କରି
so this is the thing my lord
ପଇସା ନେଇ ସାରିଲାଣି ସେ ଆଉ କଣ
no ପଇସା ସେ ନେଇ ସାରିଛନ୍ତି but my prayer is
ଆପଣ କେମିତି ଜାଣିଲେ ପଇସା ସେ ତାକୁ ଦେଇନଥିବେ ବୋଲି
ନା ନା ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଦେଇନି
ଆପଣ ସବୁ
ଆରଟିଆଇ ଆମେ ପାଇଛୁ ଦେଇନୁ
ଆରଟିରେ ତ ସବୁ
and this bank
କଣ
guarantee
ଖାଇଲା ପଚାରିଲେନି କୋଉ ଦିନ ଆଜି କଣ ତରକାରୀ ଖାଇଥିଲା ପଚାରିଲେନି ଆରଟିରେ
no your lordship may not pass any
I
order
can't do anything you have already whatever happened has already happened
no
I can't stop why between your this contractual this ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ contract ଥିଲା ଆପଣ ସେ ପଇସା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ରେ ଏନକେସ୍ କରି ସାଇଲାଣି
ନା ନା ସେ କରିନି IOCL ନେଇ ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଯଦି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଗ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟି ଏନକେସ୍ କରି ନଥାନ୍ତା ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ I could have restrained the bank okay please don't allow now money has already gone there ସିଏ ପଇସା ଦବ ନ ଦବ ମୁଁ କାହିଁ ତାକୁ who is the IOCL nobody to this court
no IOCL is a party no IOCL is a party in this case IOCL is a party
ବିଲକୁଲ କୋର୍ଟ କିଛି କରିବେନି
no your lordship just for them
ଏମିତି ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ଲା ଦେଖେଇଲେ ଯୋଉଥିରେ ଏମିତି ସିମିଲାର କେସ୍ ଲା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
yes I can show it
ନାଇଁ ପାଇବେନି ତ ଆପଣ ଆଉ
Your lordship, there is one judgment by
show me
Your lordship may post
only saying this is not sufficient you should have got the judgment only saying judgment କଲେ କଣ ହବ ଦେଖେଇଲେ ହେବ ନା ଆଉ ଯୁଦ୍ଧକୁ ଯିବ ବିନା ଖଣ୍ଡା ତରବାରରେ ପଳେଇ ଆସିବ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଅଛି ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଖଣ୍ଡା ଘରେ ଗଲେ ହବ ଆଣିଲନି
Your lordship, I apologize, it's a mistake on my part. Your lordship
you
may
should
call
have
it.
got show me the judgment once you show me the judgment I'll see okay
let it come on Monday
let it come on Tuesday not Monday Tuesday ହୁଏନି ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ ଦେଇ ସାରିଲାଣି ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ IOCL କୁ ମୁଁ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିବି
no IOCL my prayer is
my assignment is bank related issue ମୁଁ bank କୁ ଧରିବି not IOCL କୁ ହେଲା that's why I'm not going to do this ଆନନ୍ଦ ଥବି ଦେଖାଅ ଆଗ ଦେଖାଅ
so my prayer is IOCL may be directed not to
you are so smart counsel ଯଦି ଥାନ୍ତା ତମେ ଧରିକି ଆସିଥାନ୍ତା ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି ଧରି ଏବେ କରୁଛ ବସିକି
Your lordship, on a similar set of.
ଆଣ ଦେଖିଆ ନେଇକି ଆସ ନେଇକି ଆସ ଯାହାର ଦରକାର ଥାଏ ସେ ଧରିକି ଆସିବ ନା ଏଠି
so that is so only I sought for a direction to the IOCL not to make payment to OP number 2
I am nobody to direct the IOCL court ର କାମ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଏମିତି ସବୁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ third party fourth party fifth party କୁ ଯାଇକି
they are all parties
not
parties before your lordship
ମୋ court ସାମ୍ନାରେ party ନୁହେଁ ସେମାନେ ମୋ court କେବଳ bank I am confined to the bank only not the other
I think this matter has been assigned to your lordship specially because earlier
might be but
earlier it came
my concern I will restrain the bank not the other party
no
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ କଣ କଣ ହେଲା contractual
no bank ସେଟା ତ assigned so that is under your lordship's assignment so that is your lordship's assignment but since it has been come to your lordship's court specially so as per the special assignment because
ନହେଲେ ମୁଁ କିଛି କରିବିନି ଆପଣ judgment ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଯଦି judgment convincing ହେଲା I will pass next
Item 14. It's item number 14. Your lordship wanted to issue notice, but because the chairman was implicated as a party, if your lordship remembers, that is the reason your lordship asked me to.
Obviously,
my lords. I have got the my lords.
ଗୋଟେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ବ୍ରାଞ୍ଚ ରେ କାମ ଥିବ chairman ପଡ଼ିବନି
I bow down, my lords.
पार्टी बनेवा सिस्टम जानि
My lords. I bow
बैंक
down.
ऑफ बड़ौदा भुवनेश्वर ब्रांच रो लोन नेबे अब बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा चेयरमैन को करियो
Balance. Opposite party
No,
number
no,
2 and 3, my
file
lords.
कले
My lords,
देखी
my lords.
भूल ले पुणे आज बैक
My lords, my lords,
जितने दिन तो भूल कर दो इतने फेर
my lords.
ombudsman Reserve Bank of India
Opposite party number 2 and 3, your
why
lordship.
ombudsman is made party not necessarily no branch manager SMF trans union की काय party बनेगी
My lords had asked ki opposite party number 2 and 3 notice will be issued and accordingly to change it.
trans
Your
union
lordship may kindly take a look at the last order passed by your lordship.
trans union 89 branch Orissa नहीं branch
My lord, I haven't checked that, my lords, but as per your last order, your lordship's last order.
ଲୋକଟା ଯେ ତା ପାଖକୁ ପଠେଇଦେଲା କି ତାର ସେକ୍ରେଟାରୀ ମ୍ୟାନେଜର ବ୍ରାଞ୍ଚ ମ୍ୟାନେଜର ତାର କିଏ କିଏ କାହା ପାଖକୁ ଯିବ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସ ୟୁନିୟନ ଲୋକଟା ତ ଲୋକ ପାଇବ କିଏ କାହା ପାଖକୁ ଯିବ ଏଟା ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସ ୟୁନିୟନ ସିବିଆଇ ଲିମିଟେଡ ୱାର୍ଲି ମୁମ୍ବାଇ ଏମିତି ଯିବ ଲେଟର ଯାଏ ତମ ଘରକୁ ତମ ଚଷମା ନାଁରେ ଆଇଲେ ଚିଠି ଆସିବ ନା ତମ ନାଁରେ ଲାଗି ଆସିବ ପଡିବ ନା ସେ ଲୋକଟା ରେବିନ ଚଷମା ରିବନ ରେବିନ ଚଷମା ପିନ୍ଧୁଛି ତାକୁ ରେବନ ଚଷମା ହୋଲ୍ଡର ଆଇବ ଆଇବ
Opposite party number 2 and 3 was supposed to be, my lords, sent notice, my lords.
बिल्कुल नहीं सेमती
Opposite party number 2 and 3, my lords, notice आपने कहले.
से प्रस्ताव पार्टी के नोटिस करेंगे लोग की काना लिखिबे
My lords, then I will do one thing, my lords. I'll file an amendment petition, my lords, in that regard. Your lordship may,
पागल हो जाएगा फिर भी खत्म नहीं होगा आपका इशू
my lords, because your lordship had ordered in the last date.
के पाइबो प्रेसिडेंट
My lords.
चेयरमैन को नेट खुलले सब कथा मिलुची आपण सेति पाइबो ना
Opposite party number 2 and 3, my lords, had said on the last order, if your lordship may kindly take a look at, I have accordingly changed it, my lords. Amendment petition was filed.
सब पार्टी रा जोड़ा भूल करिवेनी अपोजिट पार्टी वन ना भूल तो कॉलेज रा बदलबे में कहली ता अर्थ एडा नै जे आपण ट्रांस
Opposite party number 1, my lords, Bhubaneswar तांकर रही अछि सेटर my lords.
देखले ने कमे
लिखाई my lords. Opposite party number 1 is Ombudsman Reserve Bank of India, Bhubaneswar, my lords.
नोटिस इशू करिविनी अरे ओरे अमित शाह ऑर्डर पास कर ताको के नोटिस इशू करिविनी
We have come against challenging the order.
quasi judicial body why should I issue notice to that ombudsman
My lords, because he has passed a illegal
he might,
order, my
he might
lords.
have passed he wants an order passed I can't make it
I bow down, my lords, but your lordship had asked me to change the opposite party number 2 and 3 because your lordship was pleased to
opposite
issue
party
notice.
टू थ्री में कहली एतमे चेयरमैन बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा कले बोली कहली चेंज करो
My
बोली
lords.
ता अर्थ ए कहनी जे ट्रांस सम कंपनी जो भी है पड़वा
हाँ, my lords, civil.
कंपनी गोटे लोकर नारे जाए कि एंती कंपनी नारे जाए चिठी अच्छा गोटे कथा मते कहले एटे लिखि दिबे ओडिशा माइनिंग कॉर्पोरेशन नारे गोटे लिखि दिबे चिठी रे जीवा सेठी कहा पाखु जीवा पकड़ देबे ताको जोटी की लिखे चिठी पूरे पर्टिकुलर व्यक्ति नारे लिखे से जीवो पोस्ट होल्डर की तार चेयरमैन मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर की सेक्रेटरी की रजिस्ट्रार समथिंग जे भी जीवो पोस्ट से पाइबो एमती जस्ट आई किछि भी लिख दे पाइबो
No, my lords.
then
I bow down, my lords. But
change.
what I humbly
change
submit is,
fast change
your lordship had asked only opposite party number 2 and 3 will be
Why
issued
are-
notice.
Mr. why are you not changing it consider your argument
This is the third time, my lords. It's coming.
third time fourth time भी हबो करतो है तरह
My lords, I'll file an amendment petition in that regard. Only opposite party number 2 and 3.
फुल फिर कमेंट कर
I bow down, my lords. I apologize. I apologize.
सीनियर की
माने SS Rao, my lords.
सीनियर हम बुद्धि देले ने तू यदि कोड काहे कराबो एति बतेले ना ना
My lords,
सीनियर देखली
देखिना.
देखेबे ठीक है
My lords, opposite party number 2 and
मिनिमम गोटे कंपनी नारे पडछन से कंपनी रो गोटे पर्सनल की रो थीप त नाम तो पठेबे
my lords.
हां एंती खाली कंपनी रो की पाइबो कंपनी रो लोक पाइ पडी देबो तो अपन चिठी दे कंपनी रो की से लिखी
My lords, I'll do that, my lords. I'll file an amendment petition
2
only.
PM आउथरे देबे हला चेंज कर दियो 2 PM
अच्छा,
आजी
I'll do it. I'll do it. Grateful, my lords.
हां एक तो 3 थर डाला
My lords, my lords.
थर्ड टाइम
My lords.
कुछ तो शर्म करो
Item 15.
Next. Next.
In this case, act for the petitioner. You may take up first contempt. Contempt 2238 of 20.
What is the content?
Here, your SIP. I'm placing date packet. Date packet. Your SIP come to page 35.
What is the content? Case ka?
Here, this honorable court directed to extend the ECLGS in favor of the petitioner MSME, subject to compliance with renewal requirement by the petitioner. This is the only line, and now they are misinterpreting this subject to compliance of requirement, renewal requirement. Now, after this order, my lord.
I didn't get anything, sir.
My lord,
From the beginning, you have to tell
yes,
me.
my lord.
Apana loan nahi State Bank ru.
No. Yeah.
No.
IDBI Bank.
I have taken
IDBI.
loan from
You have
IDBI Bank.
Oh, well, sorry, IDBI.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. CORAM ko dekhle khali State Bank mana padega.
Here, my lord.
State Bank, I thought.
While I have taken loan in the year 2015 from IDBI Bank. In the year 2019, the government, the Reserve Bank has come with a regulatory package, OTR, one-time restructuring scheme. And in that scheme, my account was regularized. And as per that scheme and as per regulation, my account was standard till 29th February 2020. By that time, my lord, the government of India has floated a scheme considering this COVID and all these things. That is called ECLGS, Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme. As per that scheme, the government of India has provided 100% guarantee coverage for the ECLGS. Now the bank is the only nodal agency to extend the benefit, whose account is standard within 60 days from 29th February 2020. The bank has not extended the benefit to me on 6 months or XYZ, all these things. So I approach this honorable court. This honorable court, by finding this order, your SIP, come to your SIP's order. Page 35 of the content. After hearing the parties, the operating person, the opposite party bank is directed to extend emergency credit in line with the circular dated 23rd May 2020.
What is the content?
Yes, they are not complying and they are now issuing other.
What are they to comply?
My lord, nothing is there. This is a pre.
Nothing, then why is this?
One thing, I'm placed.
I'm asking what are the things they have to comply?
Now, we have to comply. They are saying we have to comply. We have to come. They are giving number of documents they are asking for, and now they are demanding the outstanding amount as on date for compliance. But that is not the thing which has been mentioned in the 2020 ECLG scheme. The scheme is a pre-approved loan. No document is required. No application is required. The bank is a nodal agency. It's the duty of the bank to extend the benefit who are not defaulted by 29th February 2020. So here you have a glance. Come to page 39. I'll show everything you see. How the bank is misleading this honorable court in last occasion. Now they are saying that you are NPA. By that time, the interim order was enforced. And when they violated, I filed a contempt application. In that contempt application, they filed affidavit. We have withdrawn all the demand notice and all these things. Mr. Kora has submitted according to the content was dropped. Now he is
You have
saying
taken loan of what? What is the total
poultry,
amount?
poultry business. Poultry farm.
Poultry farm kete loan lethi?
4.5 crores.
4.5.
Yes, madam. My leadership.
When?
2015.
15.
Yes.
Now the farm is running.
Yes, Ronnie.
No problem.
No problem. Then I have
I'm asking all these things because
yes, yes,
there is a reason.
yes.
So you
But madam,
you are paying the EMI.
Madam, we are not in a position.
You want to you are paying the EMI regularly?
No.
Emphatically,
Madam, yes. As because my lord, due to non-extension of this ECLGS, 40% I am entitled
Sir,
to
ଗୋଟେ
the outstanding loan.
ଇସେ ଗୋଟେ particular ଏଇଟା କଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ emergent situation
Yes,
ଦିଆଗଲା
yes.
ତ ସେଟା emergency situation
My lord,
ପ୍ରତିବର୍ଷ
that-
ଚାଲିଥିବ
my lord, your ship
ତ
divided
ଗୋଟେ
into two
particular
parts.
time ରେ ଏଇଟା ଦିଆଗଲା that will continue for all time to come.
No, no, they have not extended. I am entitled to, as per your ship's order also. My lord, there are
That
two
you are
things. My
entitled
lord, there are
to
two
for
things.
that period.
My lord, there are two things. One is ECLGS, extension of ECLGS, this is a pre-approved loan. Another thing is loan recovery, all these things. I am not on that recovery part. I am on the part of extension of this scheme. Whether I am entitled for the same or whether the bank is liable to pay, extend the same. Now, bank has nothing to do. Bank is to only extend the benefit as floated by the government of India. They are the nodal agency.
Nothing
Just-
to do ମାନେ bank ପଇସାଟା କିଏ ଦବ?
Bank को government ଦବ?
Government ଦବ, government ଦେଇଛି?
Yes.
ଦେଇଛି?
He-
କୁହନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ମୁଁ bank କହିଲି ନା ଆପଣ yes କେମିତି କହୁଛନ୍ତି?
My lord, may I submit one?
Have you received the money from the
No,
government?
no, my lord, there is a
No, sir.
chain. And this matter, all these things has been adjudicated in the writ petition, earlier writ petition. My lord, kindly on basis, for a minute, half of the order has been read out by my friend. Opposite party bank is directed to extend emergency credit in the line with the credit dated 23rd March 2020. Mr. Kaur pointed out that petitioner has not submitted renewal documents as also pointed out by said letter dated 16 July 2020. I have clearly mentioned, I will show it. It is made clear that compliance with the renewal requirement of opposite party bank
So you have
has
done
to-
that, you have
has to
complied.
be
Yes,
made.
yes.
You want to?
Yes.
You
Has
have
to
to
be-
roll the ticket. You have complied with the renewal requirement?
Yes.
No.
Where is that?
Next page, page 40.
Nice.
କିଛି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ renewal document
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଅର୍ଡରରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
ଦରକାର
କିଛି ଦରକାର
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
କହିଲେ ହେଇଯିବ ଆଉ
ଠିକ
ସବୁ
ଅଛି।
ନିଜେ ନିଜେ decide
Yes,
କରିଦେବେ,
come to
ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ
page-
decide
page
କରନ୍ତୁ, ଆଉ କାହିଁକି ଏତେ
Should I find it?
ଆପଣ ଅର୍ଡରରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି renewal
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
କରିବେ, ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ।
Part
Why then there is there in the order ରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି renewal requirement ଅଛି ତେଣୁ
Yes,
ଆପଣ
yes.
ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ କେମିତି କହିବେ?
Now kindly please read petition.
Let's come to page 40 and extra 10.
I am there. So you have given the draft letter of intent for renewal
Yes,
that you have received?
that no, they have issued to me. I will show that your seal.
ହଁ but intent ଟା ତ ଆପଣ ଦେବେ ନା ତାପରେ ସେମାନେ issue କରିବେ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା, ସେଟା
Intent
issue
ଆପଣ-
କରିଛନ୍ତି. Yes,
intent ଆପଣ ଦେବେ ନା?
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
intent ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା। And next page your seal.
So if he is eligible for ECLGS,
Yes.
so what
I mean,
prevented you not
that is-
to
according
cover him?
according
under
to
that
us,
scheme?
according to us, my lord, there is no poultry farm was running on that place. They are piecemeal where they are purchasing some of the showing the banks. This is the status of the two units.
Which district?
That is
Sambalpur.
Sambalpur district.
Sambalpur.
District.
Place.
Place Burla, near Burla.
Which
Sambalpur.
place? Tell me the place ना बुल्ला जो वो जाननी की
ବୁର୍ଲାର
चपा चपा ଜାଣିଛି କୋଉ
ବୁର୍ଲାର ଯୋଉ ସମ୍ବଲପୁର ଯୋଉ ରାସ୍ତା ନାହିଁ କି
ହଁ ଜାଗା ନା କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ସେଇଟା ଗାଁଟା ସେଟା କହୁଛନ୍ତି
where is the place name
କୋଉଟା ହେଟା?
ରଘୁନାଥ ପାଲି ଗୋଶାଲା।
ରଘୁନାଥପଲ୍ଲୀ।
ରଘୁନାଥ ପାଲି
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
so that is the bypass flood water
yes, ସେ ଓଭରବ୍ରିଜ ତଳୁ ଯୋଉ ରାସ୍ତା ଯାଇଛି ଏଠୁ ଆସିବ।
let's do one thing
Bye.
let I'm passing an order to the collector to go and to verify through some of his officer her officers and send the report ହେଲା? That's the best thing whether ଅଛି ନା ଆପଣ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ବାଲା ତ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ପାଇଲେନି ଏତେ ପାଇବ କାଳେ
Color photo we have come up.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ
with
ଫଟୋ
notice.
ସେ କାହାର ଫଟୋ କୋଉଠୁ ଆଣିଥିବେ ମୁଁ କେମିତି ମାନିବି ଫଟୋରେ କଣ ଅଥେଣ୍ଟିସିଟି ଅଛି
Obliged.
Real?
Obliged.
ଦେଖ
ମାନେ later
ନା ସେଟା ଆଗ କ୍ଲିୟର ଅଛି ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି କହିଲେ ନା ମୁଁ ଏବେ ଡାଉଟ ହେଲାଣି ମୋର
ସେ ଖାଲି said
ଆପଣ କି
ନାଇଁ, ନାଇଁ,
ସତ କି
ମାନେ-
ତାଙ୍କ
ମାନେ-
କଥା ସତ
ମାନେ-
he is saying running
Yes,
ଆପଣ
running.
କହୁଛନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ
ମାନେ-
କାହା କଥା ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରିବେ fact finding ଦେଖ learned concept of the bank submits that the listener's farm is not running rather the photo ଟା ଦେଖିଲେ
there is two unit. One unit totally closed. ଖାଲି set ଟା ପଡିଛି. Second unit ରେ my lord
ପଇସା
see
ଦେଲେନି ବିଚାରା।
rather
this is a 5.5 କୋଟିର
the said
First top of the top.
There are, both units are.
Both the unit,
That
Both the units are
units
under
is
the
running, but I
present
I
list.
can't say both the unit at that.
that unit condition is there.
ଦେଖାଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ
Hello.
ଆପଣ ଧରିକି ଥିବେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖିଦେବେ ନା ସତର ତାର ଫଟୋ ସେ କହିବେ ନା ଆଉ କାହା ଫଟୋ ଉଠେଇ ଆଣିଛନ୍ତି କି ଦେଖିଛି ଦେଖ the land council of the bank submit that of the two units of the poultry production complex of the present petitioner, one unit is already closed and the other unit is having a
Other-
shed.
Said nine, second side, there is both side is there. One side is totally empty and another side is some about 100 hens are there lying in this.
And with a few hens are there. But one side is empty and with some hens. And the unit is not running smoothly.
Only one more submission. man.
Yes.
Last payment he has made.
Sir, took on the order.
August 20, 5,000 toka. August 20.
I'll find out now.
Man.
Why worry? So, jana padi na.
Running means the
Okay,
paisa
no.
dabo na. Kuada paisa jabo.
I'm not liable to pay.
Well, in such
Again.
matter, the collector, Hon'Ble is directed to get to send an officer of the district administration to verify as to whether the unit is in a running condition or it is on the verge of closure or a status report, status report of the unit.
Along with the branch manager. man.
କାହିଁ ଯିବେ
ମ୍ୟାନେଜର କେହି ଯିବାର ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ
ଇଏ ମାଲ
ସିଏ
ଦେଲା
ତ
ଦରକାର।
ଯାଇକି ଅଫିସର ଯାଇକି ଦେଖିକି ଆସିବେ ଆଉ
ଦେଖିବେ ଯେ ଆଉ ସେଠି unit ଅଛି ତ ଆଉ କୋଉଥିରେ because this unit is not running, some units are
Madam,
nearby
even
is running.
ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା
My lord, there are cases I have cited. I have
Branch
cited.
manager will take to
ଠିକ
the
ଅଛି ଠିକ ଅଛି
site.
the branch manager co branch
IDBI bank, some of the branch.
the branch manager IDBI Sambalpur can also accompany the state officials along with your
Yes.
proprietor,
Right.
along with the proprietor of the petitioner company. Private company, private limited? Sole proprietor.
Proprietorship.
Sole participant, the proprietor of the along with the petitioner, the proprietor of the petitioner company. The petitioner undertaking.
Date may be fixed.
Let's say officer को देना process there was a date now. The said exercise shall be done within 2 weeks from the date of receipt of the order. By list the matter on 3rd November.
Madam, in the read petition, grants from interim order, as you now they are proceeding with the recovery.
No, man.
No, what, no, you are.
Sir, I am asking, addressing honorable court, why you are
No, no, no,
addressing
no.
always?
Let's-
I am undertaking, I am not to do anything prior to this listing.
Okay.
I am not taking.
Bank submit that.
August 20 ରେ ହେଇଥିଲା 5,000 ଟଙ୍କା.
The bank is not going to take any coercive step till the report of the collector is produced before this court. Hala?
August दिन ତ next date ଅଛି.
Till the next date. Till the next.
August.
Okay, till the next date.
Or
Let's see. Then I'll see whether who is correct, who is incorrect. कहीं अपना बैंक वाला कोई बैंक वाला कलेक्टर तो impartial है ना
Calcutta High Court judgment mu dita
ना
ଦେଇଛି
judgment
ठीक है ଗୋଟେ କଥା
fact आगो
yes
आगो fact
fact remove I will satisfy
I
yourself
am not going to see
yes my lord
judgment unless
my
I
lord here
satisfy
one
the
thing
fact.
here one
Sir,
thing
ଏଇଟା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
lawyer ର ପ୍ରଥମ କର୍ତ୍ତବ୍ୟ ହେଲା facts କୁ clarify କରିବା ତାପରେ
Yes.
judgment ଆପଣ
Yes.
ଏଠି ଉଲ୍ଟା always put the cart before the horse
ମୁଁ ଯୋଉ ଦେଇଛି judgment ଟା କହୁଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
one way running and August 5 5,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଦିଆଯାଇଛି 20 ରେ.
status report ଦେବ ନା ଜଣା ପଡିବ
ଆପଣ ନାଇଁ ଏଇଟା clarify, he is telling it is running. August 20 ରେ the only 5,000 he has paid. No, benefit paid.
I'll pass it don't worry
No, no, that is.
ଆପଣ କାହିଁକି
I have got a 100%
public money
better.
I'm not going to spare so easily
No, no.
why do you worry ଯଦି ସେ ଏ କରୁନଥିବ ଯାହାର ବୋଲଥିବ ତାକୁ ତାପରେ
That is always expected from this court.
yes next
Item 16. May I please, your lordship?
16.
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Yesterday, this matter was listed. I pray your lordship kindly taken over next week.
Yeah.
But this matter is listed in today.
What is the matter?
My lord, I was appointed as a Sikha Sahayak.
Ebe kama dibhakta nebe ebe kama argue karte sarju.
No argument no. Se tare gote achi je gote appeal provision achi. There is a appeal provision to appeal the government. Again.
Appeal kahin hele tale. Appeal kar karte.
Yeah.
Appeal provision କହିବା ପାଇଁ application.
No, appeal provision no. Kali କହିଲେ ଯେ ମାନେ without following of the natural justice.
ନଚରା ଯାଏ ଘର ଯୁଆଡେ ଯାଉଛି ଯାଉ ଆପଣ appeal provision ଅଛି ପରା
ଅଛି ଯେ ସେଇ ଗୋଟେ
ସେଠିକି
ସେଇ ଇଏଟା ଟିକେ ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କହୁ
appeal କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ନା
ନାଇଁ
କରିବେ
କରିନି।
My lord,
ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ସେଠିକି
yesterday this matter was there. Here the petitioner was convicted.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ମୋ କେସ୍ ଟା ମୁଁ କହିବି ଆପଣ
ଆଚ୍ଛା,
କହିବେ why you ମାନେ ହରି
I understood.
Aଜ୍ଞା.
That conviction order
yes my lord
is up. ମୁଁ ବୁଝି ଯାଇଛି ଆଉ କଣ କିଛି କହିବାର ଅଛି
ସେଇଥିରେ ଗୋଟେ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେବି ବୋଲି କହିଥିଲି
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ judgment.
ସେଇ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ମାନେ ଆପଣ କହିଥିଲେ ଆର ୱିକରେ ଆସିବା ପାଇଁ ଆଜି ଆସିଯାଇଛି କୋର୍ଟ ପାଇନି
ଆର ଭିତରେ
ନାଇଁ
ମୋର କହିଥିଲି ତ
ନାଇଁ ଟୁମୋର କହିନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କହିଲେ ଡେ ଆଫ୍ଟର ଟୁମୋର
ହଁ ମୁଁ ଭୁଲି ଯିବି ଏତେ ଦିନ କହିବିନି
my lord I am not telling lie
ଅର୍ଡର ରିଜର୍ଭ
my lord I am not telling lie
ମୁଁ ଯୋଉଟା ଅର୍ଡର ରିଜର୍ଭ କରିବା ଚକ୍କରରେ ଥାଏ ସବୁବେଳେ 2 ଦିନ ଟାଇମ ଦିଏ
ହଁ 2 ଦିନ ଆପଣ କହିଲେ ଡେ ଆଫ୍ଟର ଟୁମୋର ଇଜ ସଟରଡେ
ଡେଟ୍ ଟୁମର ଆଇଲା ନା ଆଜି
ନାଇଁ କାଲି ଥିଲା ପରା ଡେ ଆଫ୍ଟର ଟୁମୋର ମାନେ କଣ
ସଟରଡେ କୋଉ ଦିନ ଆଜି
ନାଇଁ ତେଣୁ ମଣ୍ଡେକୁ ଆସିଥାନ୍ତା ତେଣୁ
ଏତେ କଥା କହିଲେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଆଣିନି ତେଣୁ ସେ ମଣ୍ଡେକୁ ରଖନ୍ତୁ
ମଣ୍ଡେ ଅର୍ଡର ରିଜର୍ଭ ମଣ୍ଡେ ଆପଣ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇଦେବେ
ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ ତ ଆଉ ଶୁଣିବେନି କିଛି
ଆଉ କାହିଁ ଶୁଣିବି ଆପଣ ଲେଖିକି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଲେଖିକି ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ along with the order ହେଲା
ସେଇଦିନ ରଖନ୍ତୁ
ଆଉ ରଖା
ସେ ମଣ୍ଡେକୁ ରଖନ୍ତୁ
ଅର୍ଡର ରିଜର୍ଭ
ଅର୍ଡର ରିଜର୍ଭ ହେଲେ ଆମେ ସାଟିସ୍ଫାଇ ହେଇପାରିବ
କାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଲେଖିକି ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ କେତେ ସାଟିସ୍ଫାଇ କଲେ ମତେ ସେଦିନ ଆଉ ମୁଁ ତ ହେଲିନି
ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ କୋଉଠି ସାଟିସ୍ଫାଇ ହେଲେ କି ଆପଣ ତ କହିଲେ ଯେ ମାନେ
ମୁଁ ହେବିନି
your lordship has
ମୁଁ
not
ଆଗରୁ କହିଦଉଛି ହେବିନି
ନାଇଁ
that
ତାପରେ
doesn't mean I am foreclose my mind
yes
ଆପଣ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖେଇଲେ I may change my mind also ଆପଣ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଯଦି ଦେଖେଇବେ କହୁଥିଲେ ଯଦି ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖେଇବେ
ହଁ।
ଯଦି ପୁରା ଏକଦମ to the point I may change my mind I don't have my foreclosure bank ନେଇ ଯେ foreclose କରିବ ନା I always keep my mind open ତ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ ମଣ୍ଡେ ରେ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏହାର ଟିରେ ଆଥରେ ଲଗେଇଦେବେ କାହିଁ ମନେ ଖରାପ ଟିରେ ଲଗେଇଦେବେ
Tuesday
ଟିରେ 5 minutes
yes ma'am 1 minute ରେ ମୁଁ ସାଟିବି
5 ଦଉଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା oblige my lord
ଟିରେ ଲଗେଇଦେବେ
item 17
17
my lord 17 bail my lord I pray my lord next week
କାହିଁ ବେଲ୍ ବି କମେ next
ଫାଇଲ
week
ଟା ହଜି ହେଇଯିବ ମୋର ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ୍ ଆସିବ
କଣ ହଜି ଯାଇଛି
ଫାଇଲ ଟା ମିସ୍
ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଅଛି ଆମର ଫାଇଲ
ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ସବୁ ମୋର ଅଛି ସବୁ
ଏବେ ପଢନ୍ତୁ ଦିଟା ବେଳେ ନେବି
ପାରିବି
ପଢନ୍ତୁ ଦିଟା ବେଳେ
ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ୍ ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ୍
ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ୍ ଏନି ଟାଇମ ଆଜି ହେବ ଆଜି 2 pm ଆଜି 2 pm
ଘରଟା ଶିଫ୍ଟ କରିଛି ମୁଁ ଡିପୋଜିସନ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଘର ଏବେ ଫାଇଲ ଦଉଛି ପୁରା
ଡିପୋଜିସନ ରହିଯାଇଛି ଫାଇଲ
ଠିକ ଅଛି ଆପଣ ଆଜି 3:30 ରେ ଲଗ
ତିନିଟା ମୋ ପୁଅର ସ୍କୁଲ ଛୁଟି ହବ ଆଣିପାରେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ୍
ବୁଝିଲେ
ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ୍
ଏ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ବାବା
ଆପଲୋଚ ହେଲା ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ୍ ଆସ
ପୁଅର ଛୁଟି
ସୋମବାର
ମୁଁ ତାହେଲେ ଦଉଛି ତାକୁ ନଭେମ୍ବର ମାସ ଦେବି 7 ନଭେମ୍ବର ଆପଣ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କରିଥାନ୍ତୁ ହେଲା ସବୁ କାମ ଆପଣ ସରିଯିବ ଘର ସିଫ୍ଟିଂ ବି ହେଇଯିବ ପୁଅକୁ ଆଣିବାର ବି ସରିଯିବ ସବୁ କାମ ହେଇଯିବ ହେଲା ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
item 18
Please, your lordship.
ଏଇଟା ମୋ ପାଖକୁ ଆସିବନି I am not hearing no more Arba is no more with me
Your lordship, I am appearing in item 18.
I am not hearing the Arba
Your lordship, the
go to the
matter-
appropriate bench this will only be ଆସିବନି Arba ଆଇଲା ମାନେ ସେଠି ହଁ ସେଠି ଯାଅ no more let the matter be
Your
placed
lordship, can your lordship hear me? Your lordship, the matter has been decided by the Supreme Court. The amount needs to be released to the judgment, the decree holder, your lordship.
yes
So that amount can be released, your lordship.
that will be released I'm not only I'm saying because I don't have that matter the arbitration appeal is not with me the the roster has been changed. That's why I'm sending that to the appropriate bench.
Very well.
So let it be placed. You approve that the court across three court.
7, code number 7.
Or code number 7. He will do that.
Yes.
So let it be placed to the appropriate bench. Yeah? Since the roster has been changed, let it be placed before the appropriate.
May kindly be considered expeditious disposal.
Like this, Monday like this. I'm sorry you have come here troubling me on that day. Actually, I didn't know that. Suddenly it was
No,
changed.
in between is
I can't help
stop.
it. So now we got there.
Item 19.
19.
Item 19.
Yes. 19 K nahi.
See, letter ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆହୁରି extension of time ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି.
ଏଇଟା କଣ ବୋଲି?
Time ଦେଇଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଯେତେ ଦିନ ଭିତରେ ସାରିବାକୁ ସେ extension of time ଲାଗୁଛନ୍ତି.
Education tribunal examination. This court, I think of the view that the hearing of the case will take some time. Accordingly, 4 months time may be granted to the education tribunal commission to dispose of the matter.
Item 20.
That which is the
May I please, Your Lords? This is an application challenging the order passed by the London District Judge in the criminal appeal number 33 of 2022. But here this is a DV case matter. The dispute arose between the husband and wife. The wife filed multiple applications. One, the divorce application, another is 125 proceeding for maintenance, the DV in the case and DV Act, and another also in the 498, all the other provisions are there. In the maintenance application, the family court has directed 10,000 per month maintenance, that is I am paying regularly. And in the DV case, that has been filed 5,000 per month. That was challenged before the criminal revision, criminal appeal before the London District Judge Baleshwar, with an application to stay the proceeding, stay the payment, since I am paying 10,000 per month, and the wife is a educated lady and is serving in a private company and earning something, but they have rejected.
How much is earning?
Well, she is 15,000 per month she is earning, and I am paying 10,000 per month.
Where is she working?
That is Baleshwar.
Where is she working?
Baleshwar in a private company, Baleshwar, the exact company name I have not, but she is working in the
How do
Baleshwar.
you know that 15,000 she is getting? The company name you don't know.
Well,
But you know the amount she is earning.
Well, what my Mr. I have not know the exact company name.
You
Yes,
have to
sir.
tell that.
I am not.
I'll guess what amount she will be getting. Company ना कहले मुझे जानी है जो कितने टका से पाऊँ
I will take instruction. I will give you.
मिनिमम जाने का तो 15,000 पाऊँ अपन क्लाइंट कहला को कंपनी काम मुझे कहला
Baleshwar को company.
बालेश्वर है जे बालेश्वर को कंपनी काम मुझे जाना ना से कंपनी रे स्टैंडर्ड देखिए से कितने टका पाऊँ तो जानी
Besides that, I am also paying 10,000 per month. Per
10,000 दया करते हैं कौन
नहीं only किसी नहीं मैंने after 5-7 months of our marriage, I am jobless. I am nothing else. मैं किसी करूँ क्या मो बापा को पेंशन दूँ my father was a I have not served. I have reading the higher study. After that, I am still unemployed. I am trying MBA करची क्या यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जैक्ट से था मु
ପ୍ଲାନ୍ ତ କିଛି ଜାଣୁନାହାନ୍ତି କେମିତି
ନାଇଁ, ନାଇଁ,
ପଳେଇ
ସେ-
କୋଉ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ପଢିଛି ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ସବୁ
MBA
ଜାଣିବେ ନା ଆଉ
एमबीए करछन तापर से हायर स्टडी पे
Higher study ପାଇଁ
चाइना भी जाइथिला ଗୋଟେ कोन स्टडी
ଚାଇନା
कोर्स करथला
ଚାକିରି
चाइना ଗୋଟେ कोर्स करथला कोर्स करला पर फेरला पर
ଚାଇନା ଗଲେ କିଛି ମିଳେନି
नहीं नहीं किसी जाओ से
I am sir telling the latter man don't take it seriously so 10,000 you are paying regularly
यस मैम
without any default
नो
when was the order passed
that the the 125 proceeding that 125 proceeding order 17/3/2020
2020 without fail ଦଉଛନ୍ତି
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
okay let me issue notice first okay the petitioner has filed the present revision under section 401 challenging the order passed on 20/12/2022 in criminal appeal number 33 of 2022 under section 29 of the PWDB Act with a prayer to quash the said order as the said order is illegal also. He further submits that he is paying rupees 10,000
per month
PM.
as per the direction passed in the maintenance
passed by
application.
the
The direction passed in CRP number 167/2018
code लिखिଛନ୍ତି
in para 3 of my petition. Last part.
okay para 3 code
Para 3 page 2 my petition.
he is also paying rupees 10,000 as maintenance on which was passed by the
London Family Judge
Learned Family Judge Baleswar
Baleswar.
in CRP number 167 of 2018.
Yes ma'am.
And petitioner being an unemployed person is facing financial hardship to pay another 5,000 under the DV Act since multiple proceedings are initiated against the present petitioner. Hence, he has approached this court to what is your prayer?
To quash the order.
Was the maintenance the interim? The interim ta?
ना नहीं ये तो डीबी एक्ट फाइनल ऑर्डर कर देले
Final order.
आमे जेतु
ଏବେ जो ଆସିଛି
अपील फाइल कलो अपील से जो आमे
ଏଇଟା DV Act against ଆସିଛନ୍ତି
डीबी एक्ट एग्नेस्ट जाइछ
ଏଇଟା DBS final order against
आज्ञा फाइनल ऑर्डर आमे अपील फाइल कलो डिस्ट्रिक्ट रे डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑर्डर जो से कले तारी
DCR order का interim
इंटरव्यू में
interim order रे CRL भी maintainable की ठीक है देख ले law देख ले
रिवीजन टा
ठीक है देखो law can the CRL be the criminal revision is maintainable for interim order
सर
ठीक देखंतु आपण देखंतु CRPC ଦିଟା ବେଳେ ନଉଛି ଆପଣ ଦେଖେଇବେ କହିବେ ହେଲା ଦିଟା ବେଳେ ଟାଇମ୍ ଦିଟା ବେଳେ 2 PM ଆପଣ ଟିକେ ମେଣ୍ଟାଲିଟି ଦେଖି ଚେକ୍ କରିବେ ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ଅର୍ଡର अगेंस्ट ରେ ଆସି ପାରିବେ କି
2 PM and another 2 cases are there
Monday next
Item 21.
21
Item 21.
21 21 none appears list the matter on 23rd November next
Item 22.
22
Made payments. I already deputed the deficit code fee of 7 rupees.
good
They did this.
revenue can't be condoned so easily delay may be condoned okay so what is the case about
The case is that on 24/16 on the day of Holi, 3 students sneaked out of the hostel's premises to take their bath in a nearby pond.
where
In L&T pond in Bhadrak.
Bhadrak empty pond
L&T
oh
pond
L&T
belonging to
okay,
L&T.
L&T okay
That is not
It's
a,
empty.
that is not maintained pond. Just a ditch was there, water is accumulated there, they went
Students
there.
in which classes? Students of which classes?
Plus two.
Plus two. So
Plus
in the age group of
Residential school.
17, 18 like that.
Madam. They think out of the hostel, though there was a notification that nobody should go out.
Okay.
And
Then
all
what happened?
bathing facility was also there.
They drowned.
Out of the two, out of the three, one person drowned there. 2 persons lost to the hostel to say that actually one person is drowned. The employees of the college and the management lost there. They are the accused here.
Okay.
Now the police has filed the final report, madam.
So you are challenging what?
The dead body was found. Dead body was found by the fire department. Postmortem report has come. Police has filed the final report on 21/9/16, saying that the case is a pure case of drowning. On 26/3/16, PM
Sir,
report
vicarious liability.
Pardon, madam?
Vicarious liability.
Madam. But
Directly may not be involved, but there is a vicarious liability. Since suppose a person is your person is there at your house, and he does something at your house. So directly or indirectly you will also be implicated. In that same way they have been implicated.
But PM report also says that it is a
Drowning, nobody is disputing. Only thing is
but they have disputed,
vicariously whether will be liable or not.
for that liability, they have gone to the civil court, saying it is a civil wrong, and they have obtained a relief.
Civil wrong can they have, sir?
My lord, I do not know. They have already
Give the civil wrong.
gone to the court, and the civil court has passed the order. That is before your lordship, my lord, in Annex 5.
Civil wrong can they allow?
ସେମାନେ କହିଛନ୍ତି civil wrong ହେଲା ବୋଲି they have proved it before the court ଯେ ମୁଁ ସାବଧାନ ହେଲିନି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଟାଣିକି ରଖିଲିନି ସେ ସ୍କୁଲ hostel ଭିତରେ though I had taken the liability to keep them guarded because they were hostelers. Because they are,
Let's see the order.
page 48, my lord, Annex 5.
This is FIR.
No, Annex 5, my lord.
So next page 14 already.
Page 48 to 57.
48. The civil judge Bhadrak.
No.
Money suit? Why money suit?
They said it to be a civil wrong.
First money suit ହେଇଥିଲା compensation ପାଇଁ direction ଦିଆହେଲା 50 lakh ମାଇଲେ କାଇଲେ have a glance
But criminal case ହବନି?
ହଁ ହେଇଛି ସେ ତାପରେ order ହେଇଛି ଏଥିରେ revision
ଆପଣ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି?
ମୁଁ ଆସିଛି to quash the proceeding.
proceeding ପାଇଁ ଆସିଲେ ତ ଠିକ ହବନି
Criminal proceeding.
ମୁଁ ଆଗରୁ 482 ରେ ଗୋଟେ କରିଥିଲି ଏବେ ଚାର୍ଜ କ୍ୱାସ୍ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଛି. Charge has been claimed.
But your judgment, you are saying there's something else.
Which judgment, my lord?
Judgment
I am challenging Annex 7, my lord. That is the impugned judgment.
Annex of 7
Impugned order.
This
That is
5
the charge.
You are not impugning 5. 5.
No, I am not impugning 5. 5 appeal I have already opted for.
You filed appeal.
My lord. Now, the copy of the impugned order is at Annex 7, page 62. Charge has been claimed, my lord. Let me place the facts, my lord. First,
You are the
the other
principal.
two will go
You are
to
the
the
principal.
I am not the principal. I am the my in charge of the
Hostel.
college is one and the hostel superintendent and his wife. Amit Kumar Malik is the director of Antika Residential Junior College. Abhay Kumar Malik is the hostel superintendent.
This
And
is a private college.
this is private college, residential private college. Plus 2. So, my lord, when the police filed the
accused number 1 is the principal man so Sangeeta Das she was the principal ଆଉ ଜଣେ ହେଲା hostel superintendent ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ secretary of the residential
they all have been arraigned as accused. Police filed the final report saying that the case to be one of drowning. Then the PM report says it to be a plain case of drowning. No external injury was found. The fireman stated about no mark on the body. Protest petition was filed thereafter on 9/11/2016.
So you are charged with which offense?
302 that with
120B.
302 केमती traveling से जाएगा 302 केमती
Technically, page 69. Kindly have a glance to page 69. That Annex 7, page 69, madam. Operative part, paragraph number 5. This court has perused the case record and gone through the submissions from both the sides with respect to the prayer of the discharge, the accused persons, and the objection thereto. In this case, initially police had submitted a final form as a mistake of fact, but the learned SDGM Bhadrak, on basis of the protest petition of the complainant, has conducted inquiry under section 202 and 203 of the CRPC and found prima facie case for the offences punishable under 302 of the IPC. And there is sufficient material available in case record regarding the embezzlement of the accused persons, for which summon was issued to the accused persons and they were committed to the Court of Sessions. Next point is important, my lord. The accused persons have neither challenged the order of cognizance nor taken any step to quash the criminal proceeding against them. The deceased was a student who was under the care and custody of the accused persons, being a student in a residential school, and unfortunate death of the deceased has led to this case. The real truth relating to the case can only be emerged after proper trial.
That's fine.
At this stage, it will not be proper to discharge the accused of the offence under punishable under section 302.
302 केमती
May I make out my case, my lord?
Yes.
He is jumping to conclusions.
No, he is reading, he is not jumping to it.
No.
He just
I have
reading.
not made out my
This
facts.
is whatever reading, he is reading.
That is the impugn part. And the protest petition was filed saying that the hands of the drowned body was tied. That was the sole blank of submission by them. For that matter, they have relied on all the interested witnesses except one independent witness who happens to be a chance witness because he had come to somebody's house on that day. It was his house.
No, when the dead body was recovered, we are saying that the hands were tied. So who has seen that?
Everybody had seen. Everybody whosoever they
including that independent witness.
Including that independent
witness said that
independent witness has not said anything. Independent witness has said that I had come to this village to my niece's house of the niece, and I had gone to answer the call of nature to the pond.
But
at that time, two persons came with a gunny bag and they threw it to the pond. Subsequently, it was found out that that was the dead body. Neither he had seen it nor he had done anything. Poda. Hands were not tied. The postman, neither the fireman who has rescued the body, he doesn't say that the hands were tied. Not the police says the hands were tied. Not the postmortem injury says that the hands were tied.
How can the discharge application be allowed, sir? Let the trial, unless trial is there, can't just get the truth. Maybe there are many angles who can, you are saying simple drowning. If so many people have said that there is a case.
The two boys who had gone with him, they say that.
Sir, that your story I understood, but the circumstances emerging from the story is taking it to a different direction.
The person who says here that the hands were drowned, he has gone before the civil court saying that that was negligence and that was not a criminal case. Therefore, he has obtained the relief
Another
of
story
15
can
lakhs
also
rupees.
come. Those two persons may be tutored by the principal. ଭଲ ଆମ କଥା କହିବୁ ବଢିଆ ମାର୍କ ଦେବୁ ତତେ ଏଇଟା ଯାହା କହିଛୁ ସେଇଆ କହିବୁ ହେଇଥିବ ବି ଏଇଟା କିଏ ଦେଖିଛି ମାନେ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ମାନେ just what I am assuming could be anything. Unless trial is there, it can't come out.
Had that story been true, then they would not have opted for the civil wrong and claimed money. Simultaneously, this is not a offense where they can proceed with the
money.
There is not a misappropriation of money or something like that.
I am issuing notice, that's but I am not staying anything. Stay will be detrimental.
Short date
stay
short date stay with them.
Kind of stay there. In this case, trial should go on. Trial will unveil the truth. Otherwise, things are many things will be shrouded under mystery.
May I take your lordship to all the statements, my lord?
No, the statement might be there. I'm not saying. I'm not going to.
Your lordship has to rely on the 227. In a 227, your lordship has to rely on the police papers.
Police papers clearly make out that this is a criminal case.
But the student died in the under your custody. You can't.
It is not my custody. He was a hostel.
Also, sir. Otherwise, also vicariously you will be you are liable. Otherwise, also you are vicariously liable when a person is under your custody and somebody going and
Under this
dying.
302 and 120B.
302 maybe 302 may not be the
120B.
right option. That is the trial court to decide whether which option.
Why should I?
He can.
Why should I kill my own students, my lord?
No, कुछ भी हो सकता है.
One
One mother can kill her. Shall I give a story?
नहीं नहीं श्रेष्ठ तो मैं बहुत देखी है सिनेमा मूवी देखी है
स्टूडेंट मार जरा कौन बड़ा था
स्टूडेंट के मो प्रेमिसेस से मोदी नहीं दे हैड गॉन आउट ऑफ द प्रेमिसेस बाकी दीटा पिला आसी
आपण से तार घर को जाके मरथांता बाटरे आसला मरता थिंग्स शुड हैव बीन डिफरेंट
पुलिस
फ्रॉम योर कैंपस and died mean that means you are vicariously liable. You can't.
May I take your lordship to the report of the police, my lord?
Report the ठीक है trial है ये केस बिना trial it is truth आशीवनी. Truth has to come out and the trial has if thorough trial is required.
The finding at page 21 may be seen, my lord.
I can't short the trial at this stage. No.
After discussion amongst them, complainant reported in writing alleging murder committed by the principal and other staff of Avantika Residential College staff with intention to get some financial relief. That is the finding of the police given by them.
Police this is fine, but unless this case is this goes through a proper trial, truth may not come. So at this stage, shorting the trial is wrong. I don't think it should be a right course of action. Anyway, I'm issuing notice. Issue notice. Admit.
Short date देगी या किसी ना भी डेट आते ही तो यदि किसी तरह ना ट्रायल यदि कंटिन्यू करी वो आउ कौन टा हो या दे
So I'm giving you a short date then.
हाँ short date दिया तो
30th रासु 30th रासु till 30th there will be stay
30th में
30th खत्म कर दिया आप रखियो नहीं
first week of October
दो you file your all reply whatever 30th close
first week of October टा
LCA पे अपन कॉल
हाँ LCA में कॉल for and
first
okay
week of October
first November first November final hearing keep the matter for final hearing सबू नहीं गया सिर्फ खत्म हो जाए क्लोज है ना नेक्स्ट
Item 23 first week दे रखन तो 2-3 जहाँ को रखन first November ना 2-3 तारीख को रखन
2 तारीख को
2-3 तारीख को देवे
Next.
Till then, may I pray for the stay of the
Stay till then.
of the
Next.
23
But Taylor can't. You should not expect too much from this court.
hearing हेले जाना पड़ी सर hearing हेले अपन भी convince हेले
This is prima facie. It should not be. I mean, criminal revision says this should not be. This matter cries for a trial. Unless a trial is done, this can't be. Next. 23.
Item 23
In this case, my lord, I am challenging Annexure 1, my lord, order under Annexure 1 in which the learned court will rejected a petition filed by me for release of a motorcycle, my lord. And in this case, your lordship may kindly turn to page 10.
Why release of the motorcycle?
My lord, that was seized in connection with a case committed by my brother, my lord. I am the owner of the motorcycle, my lord. I am the registered owner. My
it was used for some crime purpose.
no, see, that is a case under section 302. Yes, my lord.
So, nine.
Yes, my lord.
Was it used for a crime purpose by your brother?
He had gone with this motorcycle. My brother had gone. My lord. In this case, I have filed a petition under section 457. Your lordship may kindly turn to page 10, para 8. Para 8, my lord. It is needless to say that the vehicle in question has been lying in a uncared manner, my lord.
Sir, जहाँ भी honor अच्छी अपना crime spot रे अपना vehicle मिल रहा doubt तो अपना आसिबा ना.
हाँ, सेटा vehicle दोस्त that was kept in open, exposed to rain and my lord, sun and rain.
Final order first.
Yes, my lord. Final order. That this is Annexure 1. Annexure 1 at page 7 to 11. And the ground is, my lord,
though the petitioner is not the accused, but being the brother of the accused Pankaj Digal, the alleged vehicle was misused by the accused for committing heinous offence while the accused Pankaj Digal
Yes,
was
Miller.
Wrong in that.
That means Miller, the vehicle is not the offender, Miller. Vehicle is lying, Miller.
Our story batele vehicle is not an offender.
But there are
vehicle use kara vehicle offense re asila ni.
As-
Offending act vehicle na role nahi.
Asila Miller, but
Then-
till now
That
investigation has
cinema ras jo ye chalanta car
investigation has completed, Miller.
to use.
Now investigation has completed and there is a provision under section 457 for release of the vehicle,
Read
Miller.
that for future.
457 of the CRPC.
ଏବେ ପଢୁଥିଲେ କହୁଥିଲେ କଣ CRPC ଆପଣ ଜାଣିବେ ନା ମୁଁ ଜାଣିବି ଆପଣ କହିଲେ ଫର୍ବିଡନ୍ ପଢନ୍ତୁ ପଢନ୍ତୁ
Procedure by police upon seizure of property. Whenever the seizure of property by any police officer is reported to a magistrate under the provisions of this code and such property is not produced before a criminal court during an inquiry and trial, the magistrate may make such an order as it think fit, respecting the disposal of such property or the delivery of such property to the person entitled to the possession thereof. Or
ପୂର୍ବ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଆଉଥରେ ପଢିଲେ
मूड आउथर पढ़ दउछि. Whenever the seizure of a property by any police officer is reported to a magistrate under the provision of this code and such property is not produced before a criminal court during an inquiry or trial, the magistrate may make such order as he thinks fit, respecting the disposal.
If not produced during the trial.
During the trial, my vehicle is at the police station.
ତାପରେ ପଢନ୍ତୁ
And the magistrate may make such an order as he thinks fit, respecting the disposal of such property or the delivery of such property to the person entitled to the possession thereof, or if such person cannot be ascertained, respecting the custody of production of such property. So here, Millard,
that you are the owner.
then Millard, clause 2, if the person so entitled is known, the magistrate may order the property to be delivered to him on such condition as the magistrate think fit, and if such person is unknown, then Millard, that is. So magistrate has power to deliver me, Millard, the real owner of the property, and I am filed the register.
457.
457. Millard.
457 पढ़ो 457
457.
sorry I'm so sorry yeah paroda effect of mission 50 days
457 clause 2, your lords.
okay issue notice
I will serve an extra copy, Millard. Short date.
issue notice to open number state file na I'm Mr. Mafakali sir notice yeah state is the matter 30th October 30th October
They will take instruction.
ଯାହା କରନ୍ତୁ
I will serve Millard an extra copy.
give a copy they'll take instruction you file a reply directly next
24.
24
My lord, 2 days time to remove this defect, my lord.
what is the matter
Domestic maintenance case under DBA.
what is the issue
No knowledge, my lord. My senior was out of
you have not read the file now you can read it before me start yes yes you can read na please read it.
That the fact of the case of the complaint in the
Loud. Take it loud.
that the fact of the case of the complaint in the said domestic violation case in the sought in that
I'll take mic back to you.
that the fact of the case of the complaint in the said domestic violence case in sought in that the complaint
Please.
The complainant and the respondent are husband and wife. The marriage was solemnized between them of 4/10/2015 as per their Muslim caste and custom. At the time of marriage, as per demand of the respondent and
That
their
you just leave it. That is the story, how things marriage, blah, blah, blah. Now come to the issue, the next paragraph. Read the next paragraph. Paragraph 4. Read it.
In the said domestic violation case, the respondent appeared filed this objection denying the averments made in the said application. According to the respondent that both are husband and wife at the time of their marriage, there was no demand for dowry. Apart from that, he was not demand for 1 lakh rupees to the complainant. According to the respondent, after the marriage, the complainant was not interested to reside in the joint family of the respondent. Apart from that, said complainant neglected to the homework and also did not give him proper behavior to the respondent as well as his family members. On the pressure of the complaint, the respondent and the complainant lived together in the Lukhakani village, having separate mess and property. After staying there for 15 days, the complainant went to her parental house with her father. The respondent desires to keep the complaint in his house as his wife and he is ready to maintain her. That after taking evidence and hearing the parties, the learned trial court allowed the same domestic violence.
Come to that 22nd April order. 22nd April. Page 25. Right.
Obliged, my lord.
Come to paragraph 16. Come to paragraph 16. Read that.
Obliged, my lord.
Here for the husband. Here for the husband.
Yes.
Here for the petitioner, na husband.
Domestic violence.
Huh? Husband, na? You are appearing for the husband.
Yes, ma'am.
Feel comfortable. No, don't feel nervous. Yes, husband. Just see the cause list. Cause list with that is the husband. And the opposite party is the wife.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, issue notice. Challenging the order that issue notice to the opposite party by registered post with AD. Within 3 request may file within 3 working days. List the matter on 6th. No, 6th. 6th. Which district? Palesar. JMFC Rairam. 2nd November. 2nd November. 2nd November.
Obliged, ma'am.
So, what is your name?
Trupti Das.
vehemently argued. Vehemently argued. Okay, second number. Note down that on your file top. Next date, 2nd November. Requisites to be filed within 3 working days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday ଭିତରେ file କରିବ ହେଲା? You write it. Next.
25.
The order under challenge I have not given. Your Lordship may kindly allow me today. I will file it. Your Lordship may keep it to next week.
Tuesday.
Obliged.
Next.
26.
26.
Maybe the technology limitation, steps for limitation is not taken.
Are you filing?
No.
Go through.
He just 26.
Is present? He not. Huh? Non-appears for the petitioner list the matter. 14th November. Next.
Item 27.
None. None appears for the petitioner. None appears to allow. Next, 28.
My lord, I may be pardoned, my lord. I am in virtual mode personal due to my personal difficulties. The
27. You are in 27.
28, my lord.
28. There is
Yes.
some mistake pointed
Mr. Miller,
out by
actually, what happened when your
typing
lordship
mistake.
date typological error, when your lordship wanted to dismiss on a ground of maintainability at the mid of selection, then I withdrawn this application. Your lordship said that dismissed as withdrawn, but it is simply it is a matter. It is typed out that matter is dismissed on since it is not maintainable at the mid of selection. And fortunately, by virtue of merit, this petitioner has got the job in due process of selection.
Good, very good.
Now,
So nothing
since
remains.
it has come in, nothing remains. Since it has come for correction, your lordship may say that withdrawn as dismissed. It was in its order there.
And concept of the petitioner seeks to withdraw. As withdrawn. Like that. Okay, as withdrawn.
Yes. Like.
Next.
29.
29.
There's some typographical mistake. Error. Item 29. Instead of read application, content petition.
Content petition.
Good.
Item 29.
Item 29.
Next.
Item number 30.
30.
My lord, petitioner challenging the illegal selection of the Asa Karbi, my lord. 4 years lapses, my lord. The contesting party, selected party, not join in the post, neither join nor the contested in the case, my lord. I simply pray, my lord, this is a matter disposed of in the light of the, though she is not appointed and contested the matter. My case is considered, my lord.
Supreme Court
No, I have my lord.
Supreme Court 4-5 दिन last week judgment देजी ये कौन सी selection process रे यदि ये selection है तो बस either suppose disqualify है गला किंबा निजे join कला नहीं छाड़ दला ये हला ताहले से जगह रे यदि suppose गुटे post एक
Yes.
case बढ़िया
Yes.
there are always fresh selection हवा बोल कुछ जोड़ा धरन्तु आपनकर बड़ा बैच सब यूपीएससी करछि कि यूपीएससी करछि से माने गोटे गले भी आ गोटे तळु ऑफ हे जिवो किंतु एमजे सिलेक्शन गोटे पोस्ट दिवले से जगह फ्रेश है रिसेंट सुप्रीम कोर्ट डिसीजन
I have got a more mark, my lord.
नहीं मे बी
Yes, yes.
तो फ्रेश करंतु आपण मोर मांगला आपण काई देखो ना
My lord, last occasion, lordship directed the call for the entire records in the original record selection process, my lord.
सही जिनसा तो फैक्ट्स
That I have argued, my
फ्रेश सिलेक्शन करंतु आपण अपेयर करंतु We get that order, Supreme Court order.
I know, I know.
This was, I think this is Anirudh Bose, I think. That order. Just check it. I don't remember exactly. Well, passed, but it is last week it was there. The order nahi hai. I want
The selection procedure itself is illegal, my lord.
Sir, that's why if everything is illegal, then let it be final, fresh. That's good.
My lord,
If you are saying the selection process is illegal,
my lord.
then let it there be fresh selection process. Lago. Petitioner submit that the entire selection process is illegal, and the petitioner has been excluded from the zone of selection because of the illegality committed by the opposite parties. The state submits that since the selected candidate has not joined the post, not joined?
Yes.
The post remains vacant till date. In view of the above, it is opposite to have a fresh selection process. Accordingly, a fresh selection process, the opinion of the opposite party is directed to conduct a fresh selection process within 3 months from today, and the petitioner is granted liberty to apply for the same if she is eligible otherwise. Disposal. Next.
31.
31.
My lord, last occasion your lordship has seen, my lord, this is issue relating to grant of compensation because of the death in the unmanned level crossing, my lord. Last occasion I have cited 2 decisions of this honorable court. Here, my lord, the honorable court has granted Supreme Court ସେଇଟା ମତେ କହିଥିଲେ ମୁଁ ସେଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା ପାଇନି.
Our Supreme Court is the
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
Supreme Court that will be emboldened our hand.
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
The state dodi padana.
ଆଜ୍ଞା, ଆଜ୍ଞା.
Supreme Court our state Supreme Court କିଛି ହବନି. So should I give another date?
ଆଜ୍ଞା, ଆଜ୍ଞା.
ଛୁଟି ପରେ ଆସୁ.
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
ଛୁଟି ପରେ ଆସୁ.
compensation ଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆସୁ ଛୁଟି ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଗୋଟେ ମୁଁ ଖାଲି decision ଟା ଦେଖିଲେ ଦେଇଦେବି. And there is a circular issued by the railway not relating to unmanned level crossing. Man level crossing, untoward incident, your lordship can.
That man level is no issue. That's there. The circular is there. So let it come on 17th. Then. 17th. Yes, आप क्या बोलना चाहते हो?
ସେ ଆଜ୍ଞା କାଲି ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁଟା ରହିଲେ ସେ ବିଲ୍ ଟା
Mr. B.S. Ray Guru, CGC, appears in the matter, submits that. Kondu?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏ circular ଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ.
Fees ଟା ବନେଇ ଦଉଛି.
I have already filed with counter matter.
Counter agent କୁହନ୍ତୁ ମ. Counter agent କେତେ କହିବେ? କୁହନ୍ତୁ.
Time ମାଗୁଛନ୍ତି bro.
And he is of the same observation as the railway is duty bound to pay the compensation for manned level crossing, whereas the unmanned level crossing, any death expressed at the unmanned level crossing, railway is not vicariously liable for compensation. Se kochinta?
ସେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ମୋ ଇଏରେ ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟରେ ରେକର୍ଡ କରିଦଉଛନ୍ତି.
ମୁଁ ତ ଡେଟ୍ ଦଉଛି ଏଟା ତ ଗୋଟେ
I have submission error. Actually, the spot on which the unmanned level crossing
ଯୋଉଟା ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା ମୁଁ ତ କହୁଛି.
petition. That is not the spot.
At this juncture, Learned Counsel, the petitioner submit that he wants to show some the precedents of this High Court as well as Supreme Court and some other High Courts, that even at the manned level crossing, the death at the unmanned level crossing, the petitioner is entitled to get the compensation. 1 week time is granted for the petitioner to.
Another vital point is that the spot,
This the matter on 17th.
What has been
आराधना देखा आज फीस बनी गला जानते
आज फीस है
ना केते 12,000 ना 1,200
1200 की 1200
आज फीस बनला नेक्स्ट
1000 देवे आगे पर डे
सुप्रीम कोर्ट जानते ये थी जानते
Item 32.
फिर कौन पढ़ाइले अपना
Observation Supreme Court decision.
कौन भाई ऑब्जर्वेशन देवी
Observation.
आपण स्ट्रेट अवे बोले सुप्रीम कोर्ट डिसीजन ऑब्जर्वेशन आपण आपण निजे कहले इलीगैलिटी सब हैला हम काट दिले आ ऑब्जर्वेशन कर देबी आपण निजे कर मु तो कहउतले तांको टाइम देउतले आपण निजे कहले नै एविडेंस कमिटेड पास कर दिले ऑर्डर ऑब्जर्वेशन कोन देबी आपण दियंतु सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट देबी
सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट देले आगे समस्त पे बाइंडिंग हे जय काहे कहउचंते किए केतले कोन नै जो
ऑब्जर्वेशन
बुझु ना दे
he wants observation मु तो जानि के सेति में से कथाटा बंद कर देली आपण चाहउचंते बोले दे देबी हला जानते नेक्स्ट
Item 32.
मैं 17 को गया मैं 17
I'm challenging the order dated 4/8/2020, which was a illegal disengagement from my job as a Jogan Sahib.
disengagement
Disengagement.
as
Jogan Sahib. I was working as Jogan
Jogan
Sahib.
Sahib. Which district?
Karangamal. Karangamal.
District?
Nuapada.
Nuapada.
Counter has filed on 10/5/2000.
So what is the allegation against you?
Allegation, my lord, that is on page number.
कौन तो बोला आए
That
page
is,
number?
as my
Paid आवे कौन
along with other, but the
आप
main
तेला बिकुतले
ମୁଁ ତେଲ ବିକୁନଥିଲି
ଲେଖା
as my wife is working as a secretary in SHG self help group, there was a misappropriation oil was ମୁଁ ସେଥିରେ କିଛି
body chowder ସବୁ बनଥିଲା
neither I have been directed to supervise the work ମୁଁ ସେଥିରେ ମୋର ସେଥିରେ କିଛି engagement ନଥିଲା, but on the ground this ground I was disengaged on this.
ମୁଁ ତ ଚଷମା ଲଗେଇ ଦେଖୁଥିଲି ଆଉ କଣ ଆପଣ କରୁଥିଲେ ସେଠି
sufficient ground ଆପଣ କଣ ଦେଖିଥିଲେ ମୁଁ ସେଥିରେ କିଛି involvement ଥିଲି
ଆପଣ କାଉଣ୍ଟରଟା ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି
ହଁ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ପଢିजे ଯେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ତ ସେମିତି ଲେଖିଦେବେ
ଆପଣ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ପଢନ୍ତୁ
ଆଉ ମାଇଲା
କିଛି କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଲେଟର କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ yes ଆଉ କଣ ଅଛି କୁହନ୍ତୁ points in your favor
then without having any jurisdiction I was appointed by collector, but BDO has disengaged me. He is not my appointing authority.
Okay, tapare anything else?
Anything and other grounds are I have taken in my Avavini Sokas notice that the stock price maintained was not properly maintained. The display board on 25/7/2020 which is not matching, but on 25/7
argue against yourself.
Sorry mala
এটা তো আপন এই পয়েন্ট তো আপন নিজে এগেইনস্ট আর্গু করছেন
नहीं सेदिन किछि
स्टॉक not done এটা আপন এগেইনস্ট কলে
मु सेटा कहछि कि on 25/7/2020 सेदिन किछि डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ही हेई नथिला तो सेति पे स्टॉक डिस्प्ले बोर्ड आसु नथिला that is my averment.
Okay, what is your averment? Your response?
That the averments made in para 8 of the petition are not correct. In reply to the same, it is only submitted that the wife of the petitioner, Srimati Nalini Bas, was working at the executive of SHG group of namely Ma Dwaresari, SHG Karangamal, dealing with SK oil at Karangamal GP and lifted SK oil since
21,370 লিটার আপন চাকরি রইবে আপন জেল দিবা কথা
মু
চাকরি কাটি জন্দি জেল নেই নাନ୍ତି
ଆମଠୁ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି
ଜେଲ କୁ ପୁରେଇ ନାନ୍ତି ଜେଲ ଯିବା କଥା
after vacation asu mu
ନାଇଁ ଆଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ
ismail reason to be diya hai ni ethere after vacation mala this is last chance
rejoinder is not your right. Rejoinder is always subject to permission of the court.
This is last chance for adjournment.
Rejoinder is not right.
This is my lordship my record
but counter is there right.
This is matter may be taken after vacation. I need to further preparation of this.
ଆପଣ ହିୟରିଂ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ କରିଥିଲେ ତାକୁ କହିଥିଲେ ଦବା ପାଇଁ
ସବୁ ସରି ସାରିଛି ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଦେବିନି ଟାଇମ ଭାବୁଛୁ ଆଉ ଟାଇମ
last chance this is my last as my senior is not there he is in out of
ଭାବୁଛୁ ସିନିୟର କୁ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି you have to argue
I will argue but I have to take some instruction and I'll go through
you don't have any instruction
my lord this is my last you record that this is my last submission for
answer देंगे 21,370 लीटर
I'll answer I'll certify this
It is a matter of 2020, my lord. At that time was not practicing.
I can understand. 21,000 लीटर 17-21 है ना 2000
नहीं
25,900 लीटर
हैं और या को इधर लिखा है 21 कर
नहीं वो काउंटर डॉक्यूमेंट है
okay order is
मुझे instruction
order reserve
this is a reason. This is my last chance for adjournment. I'll be misunderstood.
argument
No, I will also take it after vacation or take it on any day next week. My lord, I humbly submit any day next week so that I can accordingly I prepare. My lord.
you prepared well.
No, I'll argue, but
you argued
next.
well also.
No, please, my lord. It's my earnest request. Last chance, my lord. This is record that last chance. Naked, or your lordship may take it up next week, any day next week.
17 years.
17. My lord.
more senior nahi more munda bindila mate jara hela kichi suni
I need for the preparation, my lord. I'll take instruction.
reasonable lekhi hala
My lord.
remember that
My lord.
list the matter on 17
33.
or finally or conclusion 30
The order passed on 14/12/2020, notice issued. Till 2 years gone, he has not filed the counter. Very small matter is there. The question of the yes.
the corner शिक्षा सहायक
Sikha Sahayaka promoted the primary school teacher. The rule, the provision says after 6 years, the
आपने बिंदाणी रे पढ़िले कि बिंदाणी खाइले
से 8 वर्ष ପରେ ମତେ ଦେଲେ ପ୍ରାଇଜ
ଆପଣ बिंदाणी कैटेगरी रे अछंती
सर पचास whether your case is
बिंदाणी कैटेगरी
no
okay let first number as last answer next
34.
34
May I please? Last week I filed a written note of argument here. And
but answer I going argue करबी
नहीं
खाली submission पे both of you have also
ମୁଁ ଆଜି ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି
please don't forget
नहीं ମୁଁ ଦେଇ ଦେବି
ରହି
correction
Item 35.
35
my lord, I have filed the counter. I am for the opposite party. Today I have served the copy. Counter also I have filed today on today.
today लेकिन देबो today file लेबर के दिन ले से माने
Today after serving of the copy.
नेबिनी और नो इंस्ट्रक्शन आसी मिनिमम 3 दिन आगे फाइल करी 3 दिन ले 3 ला रेजिस्टर करी हमने नो इंस्ट्रक्शन आसी परे सर्कुलेट हे जे 3 दिन आगे अपन काउंटर फाइल करी बोली जो दिन मैटर लागि थिबो तार 3 दिन आगे यदि डेट थिबो डेट ना थले जरा कोले new circular
I'll verify it.
verify
I have already served the copy to the council for the petitioner.
okay list the matter on 7th November next
Item 36.
36 36 non-APS you have the taken instruction
मैं तो काउंटर फाइल करता लास्ट डेट रे भी से नथिले विश्व नहीं अंदर काम नहीं
so केबे आसंती non-APS for the petitioner today also non-APS for the petitioner on earlier date also on 31st 8/2023 non-APS for the petitioner since the petitioner not interested in proceeding matter dismissed for non-prosecution however next chance कैबनेट से निकालने देखा नहीं
सो डेट नेक्स्ट वीक
रजिस्ट्रेशन पे दे जी फाइल करिए कौन चांस
37.
My lord, CMC, I am for the CMC, my lord.
what is your problem
My appearance may be recorded.
next
37.
May I please?
The petitioner praised the appointment of Asa Community. Last time you also directed to take instruction.
Which PSC?
That is my Bhadrak madam. Balista madam.
What is the problem?
Kanakhamudi and
What is the problem?
that is
ନାଇଁ ଏଠାରେ ଆପଣ ଖାଲି କହିଥିଲେ ଯେ କାହାକୁ appointment ଦିଆହେଇଛି
ହେଇଛି କି
ନା
ନାହିଁ
ଏଠାରେ
ସେଠି?
ଯେ packet ଅଛି କାହାକୁ ଦିଆହେଇନି ବୋଲି।
he is the petitioner is the only eligible candidate for the petition only eligible candidate for selection of the Asa Community. Other person.
ଆଉ କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି?
Other ones are not come into zone of consideration. According to the law, that are not.
According to the law, if there is one candidate,
No, number of candidates are applied. But he is the only candidate for selection for the post of
ସେ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆମେ only candidate ବୋଲି
number
only
of
candidate ଯଦି ହେବେ ବୋଲେ ସେଠି ଆଉ ଥରେ advertisement ହେବ।
number of candidates are applied for the said post.
ସେ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି
Only candidate.
ଅଧା ଅଧା କହିବେ କେମିତି ଜଣା ପଡିବ? You are saying partly. So you are the only selected, only eligible candidate. Mr. Mabad.
Last time you were also directed for taking instruction in this regard.
ଖାଲି ମୁଁ ନାହିଁ ମତେ ଆପଣ ପଚାରିଥିଲେ ଯେ whether the post has been filled up by the medical officer or not. They have given a instruction my lord. Till date nobody has been appointed in that post.
So finally selection ହେଇନି?
No.
Selection
process has
has been completed.
Selection process completed. Okay. As per the instruction order that state submit that since the selection process has not been completed, the post is lying vacant. The opposite party is directed to complete the selection process within a period of 3 months from today. 2 months from today. According to this, 2 months okay. Next.
Item 38.
38.
Miller.
Directed last occasion to file the certified copy any order any conciliation or not before the
Sorry, I couldn't get.
They don't know. Sir କହିଥିଲେ, what are the terms of possible settlement formulated by the Adalat and offered to the parties? Whether that has not been formulated.
Categorically that whether there has been any conciliation or not. They refuted for the conciliation. That is the order.
That is not my ground.
Dated 25th January 2020.
आजकल फॉर्मेट बना फॉर्मेट लिख दीजिए छाड़ दिया
किंतु को
cancellation happened, cancellation failed, hence I am taking up.
ସବୁଥିରେ ସେ ଲାଗି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି।
अरे सर मते कहया मु जानि छी एबे त मु एई लोक अदालत गोटे कहूची गोटे कॉन्फ्रेंस करके सब गाली दा कॉन्फ्रेंस डाकी छी।
And there is somebody intention memo file. The respondent filed the memo stating that they are not agreeing for the conciliation. The specific order is there also.
एटा कोन थला इशूटा
इसका थिला जे अदालत
ତାର ଗୋଟେ ବିଲିଂ ଡିସ୍କାଉଣ୍ଟ ନେଇକି ସେ ଗଲେ ଅଦାଲତ। ଅଦାଲତ ତାକୁ ଗୋଟେ no possible terms of settlement କିଛି ନ ଦେଇକିରି as a common law forum he has decided the matter that you rectify the bill and you are liable to pay compensation of rupees 50,000. Milord, how it is the Adalat, Milord. It has to made all endeavor.
केते दिन रेक्टिफाई ना केतिला
Bill sir rectify हेतला तार provisional bill जोटा हेतला सेटा that is to be rectified after installation of the meter. Meter consumption pattern nu neikri it is to be done. And that has been done. But आज why you have not done this?
रेक्टिफाई करले गुटे लोकड कोन पई से अदालत को जिबा पे ताको बाध्य करले एटा आपण
Sir when the matter was demand was raised
तो आपण को जतरा बिल रेक्टिफिकेशन करिया कथा आपण रेक्टिफाई काई करलेनी
sir rectify हेतला sir
करि ना तो कर नले से काई
sir हेछि sir I will satisfy that my lord
आपण करंतिनी सर We are
Sir,
also
so far
consumer
this
of the
case-
electricity. We know how they behave.
Sir, so far this
10
case is
ଦୌଡ଼ିବେ,
concerned.
50,000 ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
Sir, so far
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ,
so far this
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ,
case is
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ,
concerned.
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
No, sir, so far
Nothing
this
else.
case is concerned. I will satisfy me, Lord.
I'm
Mo
not
chashma
going
ta
to
sir mo anini, chashma ta ani factual
ଚଷମା
ta.
ଦେବେ। ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
Sir, ସେଇଟା ପଢି ହବନି sir. ପଢି ହବନି sir. ପଢି ହବନି sir. ସେ ଗୋଟେ ସେ ଆଜି କଣ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ଆସୁ କାଲି ପରନା ଆସୁ sir.
ଆଉ 50,000 ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ରେଡି ଆସ।
ନାଇଁ
ଆଉ
ଏଇଟା sir
ଆପଣ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିସିଟି ବାଲା ବହୁତ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ଲୁଟୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ।
ଏଇଟା sir ଦେଖା ଯାଉଛି।
ହଁ, ମତେ ବଢିଆ ଦେଖା
ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଲେଟର ମୁଁ ଗାଡିରେ ଥୋଇଦି sir ପଳେଇ ଆସିଲି just।
ହଉ ହେଲା ଆପଣ ଇଏ ୱିଟନେସ୍ ରେ ଲାଗୁ ଆପଣ ଗେଟ୍ ରେଡି
Sir, sir.
ଅଥରିଟି ଟୁ ପେ 50,000 ଦେବେ ତ ଆଉ।
Sir, if the law permits me, then
law permits
Sir,
law permits
sir, Adalat is to make all endeavor,
ସେଟ୍ କରିଦେଇଛି ଆମେ କଣ
all endeavor to settle the dispute on amicable settlement in law. Sir, se jodi party raji no hole, he Adalat is to formulate the terms of possible settlement on which the dispute can be settled.
ପାର୍ଟି ରାଜି
And
ନେଲେ
that
terms
is the,
କଣ
that
ହବ?
is the mandatory
ସାର୍ ପାର୍ଟି ଯଦି ରାଜି ନ ହବ
Sir, କାହିଁ ସେ ଦେଲେ କୋଉ ମ୍ୟାନର ସେଟଲ କରିବେ ଆମକୁ ପସିବଲ ଟର୍ମସ ସେଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ତ ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତେ କୋଉଠି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି ସେ ରାଜି ହେଲେନି
ପସିବଲ ଟର୍ମ ସେଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ହିଁ ହଉନି ତ ପସିବଲ କୋଉଟା ହେଲା ଏ ମୂଳରେ ସେଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ହଉନି।
Sir, mode of settlement, sir, jaha what 22(7)
sir,
says,
ପଢିଛୁ ଏଟା
when a permanent year lordship have gone to that. Where the permanent adalat is of the
ସାଥୀ ଚଷମା ପିନ୍ଧି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ପଢିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ଏଇଟା ଯାହା କହୁଛି the adalat is to form the possible settlement and ନାଇଁ sir ମୋ ଯା ମନେ ଅଛି କହୁଛି it is to form possible settlement and offer to the parties for their acceptance. Parties ଦେବେ ସେ acceptance ପାଇଁ କି ତାପରେ party ତାକୁ ଦେବେ କୋଉ manner ରେ whether they are agreeable or not. କିନ୍ତୁ without forming any possible terms of settlement, how my lord it will record that.
ନୋଟିସ୍ ହେଇଛି
Sir, sir ସେ appear କଲେ ପରା ସେଥିରେ
ଓ ସରି
ସେ appear କରିକିରି counter ଦେଲେ. Sir, you lordship fix it on Wednesday.
yes ठीक है Wednesday right common Wednesday next
Item 40.
The case is regarding cancellation of petitioners as Asa Karmi under Annex 3.
why cancel what is the instruction
Irregularity, there are a number of irregularities, that is the reason why they have cancelled the notification. Now they are ready for fresh selection.
file an affidavit
Counter
counter affidavit now it comes with the state to file the counter affidavit list the matter on 1st November next
Item 41.
The matter relating to release of insurance amount under Prime Minister Fasal Bima Yojana. Here the petitioner representing all the farmers who are insured under the scheme. And
who are you?
I am the sitting Sarpanch. I am the sitting Sarpanch of Bodawala Gram Panchayat under Krishna Prasad Block, District Puri. I am representing all the farmers who are insured under Prime Minister Fasal Bima Yojana. In the period the 1920, due to unseasonal rain, the crops were damaged. They claimed their insurance amount. Inquiry was conducted. My case was farmers list was not considered. I approached before this Hon'Ble Court. This Hon'Ble Court directed to Secretary to consider their representation after hearing the opportunity of hearing. Lordship, my representation was rejected. There is no observation, no notice issued to the petitioners. Simply rejected on the ground that District Monitoring Level Committee submitted a report that due to public hindrance, the inquiry has not been completed. Only that ground.
Public hindrance?
ଯେତେବେଳେ ଇନକ୍ୱାରି କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଗଲେ କର୍ପ କଟିଂ ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ ସେତେବେଳେ ପବ୍ଲିକ ହିଣ୍ଡ୍ରାନ୍ସ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା ପେଜ 119 ଲର୍ଡସିପ୍ ମେସି there is a remark public hindrance only that ground the poor farmers who are insured they are now suffering lordship
with the opposite party
out small prayer lordship the opposite party number 8 filed a memo that the petitioner avoiding to receive the counter my prayer lordship nor either he telephoned me nor served me counter. You have to file a memo that petitioner avoiding to receive the counter.
So,
We filed,
you are
I'm
appealing-
for the opposite party 8 insurance company. We filed the counter on 1st March. We tried to contact the number given in the writ petition. That was not reachable. And we checked with the association also, so we could not find anything. But anyway, I'm giving
Yes,
copy.
but the memo is filed.
So, reading complete.
The state not filed. counter.
We have to file the counter. We have to receive the.
The main is the government.
Government is the
Government
main.
decides the DLC.
Naturally, whether the extent of crop damage, anything that has
My
to
lord.
be decided by the government.
Government.
Not the
District level
insurance- not the
committee.
Due to the insurance committee. On the basis, because in the Fashal Bima Yojana, basically on the report of the government, they act on that.
My lord.
So if you don't, your report is not big, because you are government and you are just, suppose people are stopping you to assess all these things. So where is your police
As
agency?
per the,
You
as
should
per,
use your police agency and do that.
my lord, as per the Parawai's comment, there is a noting that the crop has not been damaged due to unreasonable rain. My lord. So I'll file a counter to that effect. I want-
Who has said that?
My lord,
Who has stated that?
director. My lord.
Who is director? Agriculture director.
My lord.
Has he visited the spot? On
No,
what
there is a
basis?
report to that effect.
Who has prepared the report?
The
On
district
the
level
one hand, you are
monitoring
saying you
committee.
have not been able to visit the spot, and then how could you prepare the report?
There is a meeting of the district level monitoring committee.
यार district level monitoring committee decide कला crop कार के individual चाषी रे केते केते बसे जाने देला
I'll satisfy.
field को ना जाएगी एठी
Madam-
बसे करी एठी AC रूम रे बसे करी field रे केते damage जान देबी. One has to go to the field
My lord.
and to see what amount of crop damage is there, everything. Then that report should be placed before the district level committee. And simply district level monitoring को जाने देला ऐसे crop damage है बोली और नहीं ही बोली है नहीं बोली किंतु जानना. इंश्योरेंस दला वाले को सब ये क्रॉप डैमेज ही नहीं ऐसे बोलती बाकी को बड़ा बड़ा कंपनी वाले तो सब धड़ाधड़ गणी दे पर छोटे छोटे चाषी वाले क्रॉप डैमेज ही नहीं ये नहीं शेयर गार्ड रिपोर्ट
I'll file my counter.
file it.
My lord.
This the matter on 1st November.
Lordship, another two read applications is pending. I'm giving number. Lordship may tag this matter and
कितना नंबर तक?
double PC number 20138
2013.
042 and 20140 2020.
Next. 42.
Item 42. I may be pardoned to make a mention, Your Lordship.
42. I am calling 42. Don't mention like just like that.
Item 36, Your Lordship, I was.
This is not the time. Don't you know the minimum decency?
Yeah,
When the
yes,
court is rising at that time, you have to mention, or sitting at that time, you have to mention. Don't come in between. Next.
My lord, item 42, I am for the opposite party. I seek one adjournment. My senior is ailing. Let me this
Which
matter.
father? You are father.
My lord, today
What
I
is
am
the
filing the rejoinder. My lord.
Okay. So list the matter on 7th November. Next.
43.
43.
Entry
Entry matter. 43. 43.
Item 43.
So I'm for the OP2. We have entered appearance and need some time to file counter.
OP2, that's bank.
Yes, Lord.
Canara Bank.
Yes, Lord.
Okay, land constable, the bank, 2 weeks time to file the counter affidavit. This is the matter on 13th November.
Obliged, Lord.
44.
44.
Item 44, I have already.
Counter
filed-
not filed, madam.
I have already filed the counter.
Not solved.
Serve a copy.
Yes,
Land
madam.
constable, the state to serve a copy of the
I'm
counter. to
right
land-
now. I'm sorry.
On land petitioner and land constable petitioner is granted 1 week time to file the regional review.
Like it can be disposed of on the counter itself, madam. At the time of applicant, there are 3 applicants, madam. 2 have not been qualified for due to other reasons. Petitioner has applied in his form as well as from the certificate. Your lordship will appreciate that the petitioner is also below it. So there are no more applicants were available. Therefore, a second advertisement has come up. Now the petitioner has challenged that second advertisement.
So you want to file anything or simply?
Madam, I'll file with the rejoinder, madam. 2 weeks after comes.
Let it come after November. This is after October. 31st, no, 31st. 31st October. Hala. Next.
45.
45.
I am for the opposite party, that minor, no one minor.
In this case, your lordship directed to the state council to take instruction regarding the letter for figure.
But in the meantime, what has happened? So I have, today in the morning, I had a telephonic discussion with the IIC. The IIC has informed that the matter has been transferred to crime branch. So I've tried to get that instruction so that necessary party can be made so that I can take instruction from the crime branch.
Okay. Release the matter on 30th.
30th, of course.
45.
30th.
30th. Lunch.
That's
14.
I filed one amendment petition, my lords, along with a consolidated cost title.
Yes.
As per your lordship's direction, I have amended opposite party number 2, 3, and as well as 4. I have added the authorized representative. My lords, grateful.
Okay. The I is allowed. I number kai? 9. Number 8.
For the
I number 7 allowed. And I to and
Sure, I'm appealing for
considered cost title is have you filed it? The considered cost title has been filed. Apparently, non-partial petitioner to give a copy of the considered cost title to opposite party. Opposite party kahin nahi na?
number 5. I'm appealing for OP5 performer. Ministry of Agriculture.
Monday like that. Monday. To do it today. आगो को कला वाला be careful. Party कला वाली. MP को दौड़ो तुम. Be careful. गुड. इक्के दिमाग लगे बन तो law पढ़ी से परा. ये गुडे जागा गुडे लेखु चंदी गुडे corporation ना. Corporation गुडे तो लोगों नु पढ़ी दो तो तार manager, की secretary, की गुडे तार नाटक.
Someone must be represented.
हाँ. गुडे लिखी भी नहीं. गुडे लिखी through somebody. Suppose Oriental Bank of Commerce through its manager. एंड लिखा हुआ था. आओ तमे सेटा भी लिखा दी ओरिएंटल बैंक ऑफ कॉमर्स लिखि दो सोएंसु कहा को जीवो सेटा एंड लिखा दे. Next.
Item 46.
46.
Last time the government has taken time.
No problem.
On the last occasion, your lordship has directed the state to take instruction whether till date that Anganwadi center, Anganwadi worker in Anganwadi setup, worker 4 has been filled up or not. I have got the instruction that it has not been filled up since 2014.
So he is a selected candidate.
No, he is not a selected.
So what is the problem? I don't remember. Can you repeat? There was advertisement. I was the second person. I was the third person.
I am in second person. I am in now in second person.
The first person what?
First person has issues regarding residential issues.
Can I submit?
ये तो केप करने 14
2014 को खाली
खाली पड़ी अबे आप फ्रेश कर दो आओ से पुराना लोगों को छाड़.
Only problem that if the fresh will be about, then the petitioner may not able to participate.
अबे नया रूल वार सुप्रीम कोर्ट नया जजमेंट में आने में से जजमेंट
my case
गवर्नमेंट काढिबा कथा जते बेले भी गोटे पोस्ट थिबो जो कैंसिल जो सब लोक बाय चांस सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस हेई थिबो लिस्ट बात से लोक जॉइन कलानी किबा छाड़ देला किबा येला सेटा से जगह फ्रेश सिलेक्शन
my
always this is the rule.
But in the present case, my lord, one
I was thinking much before
my lord,
the Supreme Court judgment convert
my lord,
छाड़ काई करिवा now Supreme Court judgment emboldened no hand.
But in the present case, my lord, one person has been selected. After selection,
deserted the post.
No, no. After selection, the petitioner has filed a complaint petition regarding his date of birth and residential certificates. After knowing the things that she has done some mistakes, she has resigned.
Resigned. Okay.
After
Now-
that, the post is kept vacant because of the pendency.
तुमको भी नहीं मिलेगा, तुम किसी को रिजाइन कराने किया है ना.
My lord, may I stop?
The crux of the point is
Crux of the point is fresh selection. Lego.
my lord,
My lord,
आओ किसी ने. Fresh.
and a glance on my
आओ glance नहीं.
the petitioner's
I
case
don't
is
have
that
glance.
my lord,
glance is-
kindly say page 54, my lord.
once
54.
Dead
Dead chart कौन
Your lordship, kindly see page 52, my lord.
Dead chart कौन माने? 54.
52. It starts from 52, my lord.
52.
This is the merit list, my lord.
इधर बैजंती माला खंटिया तो ये किस तो? हाँ?
My lord.
52 कोड है पेज में.
Page 52, my lord.
52 कहीं? ओ अपन को ये जो काउंटर है. हाँ कौन है इधर?
No, read petition of page
Petition.
52.
Page 15, 15.
52, my lord.
Sir, 52 तो नहीं हो पर.
Annexure
More
to-
the last annexure 10-30 page अच्छी. अब 52 कोड है.
sir.
इधर अच्छी.
हाँ, ସେଥିରେ ଅଛି.
हाँ कौन है कौन?
52 is the selection list, my lord.
एमए पढ़ी चाहिए. एमए पढ़ी करी ये काम करिबो.
Your lordship has decided on one case where a person has, after passing BE, MTech, also applied for the Anganwadi work.
क्या हो गया है इसको?
She is continuing as a,
Either B and ME has no value, or the post there is no job. That's why they are applying.
no job, that's why.
No job no है. ବର୍ଷକୁ ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ଦେଶ 8-10 ଲକ୍ଷ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର ପ୍ରଡ୍ୟୁସ କରିବ ସେଥିରୁ ଅନଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟେବଲ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର ହଉଛି 98%.
True, my lord.
ତ କୋଉଠି ଜବ କେମିତି ଏମିତି ଜାଗାକୁ ଯିବେ ନା. ଆମ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟରେ ଦେଖୁନ କେତେଟା ଏସଓ ଅଛନ୍ତି. IIT ଖଡଗପୁର 2ଟା ଅଛନ୍ତି. ମୁଁ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଲେସନ ୱାର୍କ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଲଗେଇଛି. ଏ ଯୋଉ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଲେସନ ହଉନି.
My lord.
ଏବେ ଜଷ୍ଟ ମୁଁ ଯାଇଥିଲି ଇନ୍ସପେକ୍ସନ ପାଇଁ. IIT ଖଡଗପୁର ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ NIT ରାଉରକେଲା ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରୋନିକ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଟେଲିକମ୍ୟୁନିକେସନ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟରିଂ ଅଛି ଝିଅଟେ. ସେ କରୁଛି.
Those institutions are dreams for us while we are studying.
Obviously, but they're doing.
Your lordship, kindly see page 52, my lord.
Yes, he has secured the highest mark, no doubt. This can
No, my lord.
No, केंदी.
My lord, the
64.42 पर तारा एटा.
no, my lord. 66, 61%. But the problem is that
Remark 66 लिखले कब है ताले?
total marks of 10, 61, my lord.
और 66.42 कौन?
66.42 से claim करूची because, my lord, they have calculated from
Extra-optional.
700 extra optional marks. But in other
एक्स्ट्रा ऑप्शनल केवल सीट पे आउ कोथि पे नुहे. एक्स्ट्रा ऑप्शनल केवल सीट जो कॉलेज पे अप्लाई करछन ने
एथिरे समस्तकर extra optional calculate करछन petitioner करिना.
आपण करना
ना जदि petitioner करि देबे your lordship, then your lordship
ताले से एते पाठ पढि ताको हवा कथा.
हबा कथा.
आपण काई कले सिलेक्ट.
My lord, kindly see the petitioner that कर दे page 54, then your
ये
lordship.
माने काम करिवे. हमें पाठ पढला बेला काम करिवे ए काम. छुआ मन गम रांधी के देबो.
He has waited more than 12 years.
ना से कोन करियो दुईटा लोक लगे देबो. दुईटा लोक लगे घर आराम से खाइबे रहइबो से काम करिवे. ए चलछि प्रॉक्सी अंगनवाड़ी. That is called proxy अंगनवाड़ी. That will go एते एजुकेटेड लोग सब शेयर करिवे. प्रॉक्सी अंगनवाड़ी केंद्र.
My lord,
परिचालक.
my lord, kindly say page 54. The mark sheet of the petitioner.
First class.
My lord.
10th first class.
That of 54, my lord.
Plus 2 re.
Without extra optional, it is 392. And if your lordship will add the extra optional mark, then it is 460.
जे आपण एते पिला काई देलेनी. देलेनी को पैताले.
जेहेतु आर मार्क विदाउट एक्स्ट्रा ऑप्शनल नहीं आइतला तब दिया है मतलब.
बाकी अन नेले को पे नेले.
That is a mistake done by.
Who has done that mistake?
then CDPO. Your lordship may direct. If the post is vacant, then the petitioner may get it. And also now she's 52. Now she's 52. She will hardly work for another 8 years. That's all. If the mistake was done, that's true, madam. She has lost 12 years. Though she has filed the case in the 17, so 6 years.
Selection committee chairman किए थे
Sub collector sub collector
सब collector किए थे बाहर ये तो সেই বাজে যদি কোর্ট সেক্রেটারি এডিশনাল সেক্রেটারি থাকবে তাকে ডাকি who has done it kind of কারণ কাজ the state I'm not going to spare so easily the লোক যেটা পাইছো তাকে জবরদস্তি আমার এই করে
see in the merit list she has secured in the third position.
how third position extra option মিশলে তো ফার্স্ট পজিশন হয়ে যাবে আমরা এক্সট্রা অপশন কেন তার মিশলে বাকি সমস্যা মিশলে আর এই করে দছো
because no, for other candidates my lord, your lordship will say see page 52 again my lord.
52 आपण देखंतु ना
your lordship kindly have it.
देखंतु यार सबुतर हाईएस्ट मार्क আছে बाकी गुटेला 61%
61.33
61%
7
এটা কার 67 নাকি
67 of the selected candidate my lord.
67 কোন দেখা যাবে বলি
67 my lord. 67 in side remarks it is selected.
It is selected committee. तो से join कला नहीं.
से join करी के join कला, resign करी वाला.
Oh अच्छा.
Join करी के resign करी वाला.
तो ये आगे ये तो अधिक आगे अच्छी था.
अधिक.
यार तो अधिक.
आगे.
ये plus 2 पढ़ी थी. अच्छा अपने ये MFA मार्क मिशन होते हैं.
MA मार्क का 5 marks extra तंगु दिया है.
वो extra देगी भी
61%.
तो यार तारो अधिक अच्छी था. यार ये जो सिलेक्शन है जी तारा कहते हैं
67%. 62 plus 5.
Plus 5 का भाई.
तर education qualification थी वो intermediate.
More than 10th.
More than 10 or plus 5.
ओ मैंने BA है ना अब 5.
नहीं total plus 5. 5.
अरे ये तो अधिक अच्छा है. Selected candidate.
Selected candidate resign कर दीजिए.
ताहले not the younger mistake नहीं था. ना ये मिसे दले भी यार हो नहीं था.
Extra optional mark मिसे दले ये अधिक आई थी. From the second position.
I thought that other candidate कम पाइए अधिक पाइए गोल कर रखा है जी ना मुझे तो बाबू क्या बाबू.
नहीं.
अब जो लेक्चर.
जब extra optional.
यदि go round up कर देंगे तो गोल में देखा है.
नहीं.
67 देखा ही नहीं.
नहीं. 67. जब extra optional तक मिसे दले she will get more.
Then there is no fault. So best हो जाए अपना तो बहुत मार्क पाइए नहीं इधर ही पाइए है ना. Okay.
Now the age limit will be there.
She is unable to apply.
Court can't condone the. सेमती भी जणा गला पर तो सेमती आउट नेक्स्ट जे थिबो तार ऑटोमेटिक राइट तो होई नै करू.
That's true.
ऑटोमेटिक हम. Let's जब कुछ पनी हो जाती.
My lord, she resigned.
कौन करे 52 एज जाने कौन करे तो नात इकण आई ही थी बसले आई फे ही तार छुआ पड़ा बाहर साथी आ कौन जो पोस्ट करियो आ पारिबनी बेसी देखि उठला रही बसवा अटकी जीव कौन लाभ कहले
एबे बेसी एक्सपीरियंस है जोनी छोटो पिलंग नहीं दिबा से
हां से कहि दो आ आपण एज नाही घरे रेस्ट करंतु सब पिला करंतु
मैंने
आ कौन किछि अब अबे किछि उठे परिबनी हां आ अपनी किछि हां आ फ्रेश प्ला आसन ना प्ला आसन
अंग एज एक्चुअली 47 हो छै
केंदी
41 थिला सतर एट द टाइम ऑफ
केते बडा फोटो लेबे केते आ गया उधर लेबे केते मतलब तो उधर लेबे केते
47 level is beyond the age limit.
50 वर्ष ऊपर के आगन चाकरी करे सरकार भूल कर जी 42 43 बढ़ो जे ना दैट्स मिस्टेक 35 मैक्सिमम करते तापर जे आला आ केते वर्ष लोक कंपटीशन दो आ किछि करबे नि कम से कम कोठी जानिबो जे नहीं या पर मोर अलग रास्ता धरिबी से रास्ता धरंता ये 42 45 तक दो तो बस जेबे देखला को करछि मो परीक्षा दोछि सिलेक्शन दोछि किछि काम करबे बापा मार पैसा नहीं से करबे फॉर्म पकोथुवे पाउनथुवे Debt କରିଦେଲା life secure. ଏତିକି ପରେ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଣ ରାସ୍ତାଟା ଦେଖିବି ମୁଁ ପାନ ଦୋକାନ କରିବି କି ଚାଉଳ ଦୋକାନ କରିବି କଣ କରିବି କି ଚୋରି କରିବି ଯାହା decide କରିବି something. Anyway, ଦେଖ the petitioner has filed the present writ petition praying for quashing of the order dated 18/2/2016 under Annex 11, wherein the petitioner has prayed for direction to engage the petitioner in Damodarpur Anganwadi Center with all service and financial benefits. Baba. This function God. The fact of the case is that the advertisement is published for engagement of final since the selected candidate has not joined,
Has resigned after joining.
after how many years?
In the year 2014, she has resigned.
Okay, she resigned just after joining in the same year.
No, man, joined in the year 2010, my lord.
Okay, after a few years of the joining. 2010, he joined in 2010 and resigned in 2014.
My lord.
14 आपको चाकरी आउट एस्पिरेशन अच्छो जने काम कला 4 वर्ष पर भी आपण आशा धरि बसिन
My lord, the joining रे ही dispute थिला rigorously petitioner case कला पर ही से resign.
The petitioner is the instrument.
When the petitioner has filed an appeal before the appellate authority,
as well as High Court base.
High Court छाड़ा appellate authority man. High Court आपण आछन appellate authority appellate authority कौन कहला?
Appellate authority disengagement ପାଇଁ order करथिले.
कौन ପାଇଁ को ground?
तांको residential proof.
Residential certificate.
और बात
Order to disengage the present petitioner because of the defects in the
present, not the present petitioner, the selected candidate.
The selected candidate, sorry. The selected candidate opinion number कितनी है?
She's not been made a opposite party number because she has resigned. After that, the
selected candidate. Opinion number selected candidate and accordingly she resigned after when the appellate authority found that she doesn't belong to the service area, she resigned from the post. The selected candidate resigned from the post. Since then the post was lying vacant. आपण कॉलेज कमी तापर एते चलछि से जगह
सेटा लेखिछु हमें अलगा अंगनवाड़ी सेंटर वर्कर आने की चलो
since then the post has remained unfulfilled, the vacancy has remained unfulfilled and is run by some adjacent
help of the adjacent
is run by some adjacent centers. Considering the facts of the case, since the petitioner has already resigned since long after serving for about 4 years.
Not the petitioner.
So sorry, the selected candidate. I'm always selected candidate has resigned after serving for 4 years, and after that the vacancy remains unfulfilled. At this juncture, this court is of the view that let there be fresh selection process. Let there be a fresh selection process, and this said selection process shall be completed within a period of 3 months from today. According to this project, the petitioner could have been allowed, granted liberty to approach, granted liberty to participate in the selection process. However, due to our age, the petitioner cannot, at this point, cannot be allowed to participate in the selection process. Hence, the petitioner to look after her children and settle in at her home. Next.
Yeah, Lordship, a free copy may be communicated.
Next.
Item 48.
My lord,
One submission. The name of my learned senior, Mr. R.N. Mishra, name is deleted. Because-
Deleted.
Maybe
That
deleted.
may be
because-
Okay, government cancel.
My lord.
Okay. The name of Mr. Yes. Regarding Mr. Deleted since starting. What is your name?
Manas Kumar Swine.
Manas Kumar?
Swine.
You are now it is your name. You are the Okalazan Mahal.
I have no.
कौन आ रहे थे कहाँ आ रहे थे
वकालतनामा मने फाइल है नहीं तो
फिर कहाँ आ रहे थे
I will file today.
क्लाइंट में पड़े थे ना लेफ्ट हैंड साइन मार दो फाइल कर दो लेफ्ट हैंड ना एक्स्ट्रा गुड माइक रख दो
पुरुना अच्छी पुरुना
रेडीमेड था दीटा आई नो खाली खाली पेज साइन मार दो ना उसको भर दो खाना पूर्ति चलो ठीक है मानस कुमार साइन बी रिफ्लेक्टेड है ना आज रिफ्लेक्ट हो सब ऊपर लिख दो वाला ओके कुछ करिए बने कौन करिए
48. Last week, my lords, I have received the counter. Kindly give me 1 week, my lord. File a regender, my lord.
which one
48 million.
48 item.
48
Yes, my lord.
regender to regender you will file regender
Yes, my lord.
or petitioner Mr. Party 2 weeks time to file the regender
1 week.
1 week time to file
Yes.
the regender. This is the matter on 2nd
My lord.
November. Hala.
All right.
49.
49.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, I am challenging the appointment order, my lord. Of Anganwadi worker,
In this case, I have to
opposite
file,
partner 6.
Your Lordship, in this case, I have to file the counter affidavit.
You file?
No, my lord. I have to file because I
have to file the counter affidavit within 2 weeks. List the matter on 8 November. Next.
That second occasion, my lord.
How
Taken.
through have सरकार रे हुए
I am ready, guest.
रेडी
दीटा आगे बही नहीं guest.
हां ठीक है पढ़ी देले ताले आसु
आगे साढ़े 2 तो सर जल्दी हबो.
Counter दिन
काउंटर आसु बडा हाथ रे आने तो केस लाटा फॉलो करथि
आगे OLR 2.
हां ओएलआर वाले कहबेनी कोन इशू पर
The issue is my
कोन कोन
the issue is my lord.
केस कोन
Case na issue.
लीगल
I am legal proposition I am saying, my lord. Legal proposition is, my lord, the advertisement you cannot avoid the you cannot violate the advertisement term and condition. That in the said case, my lord, that they after violating the condition of the advertisement, the appointment has been given. That's why it is illegal.
Oh,
The law says, my lord, is.
keep your
I am taking
ready for the fight.
My
Next.
Item 50.
50.
In item 50, your lordship will, if your lordship will permit me, then I'll try to refresh your lordship's memory. This is a case where a advertisement has been published for selection of the Anganwadi worker. Without cancelling the advertisement, another advertisement has been published.
Yes.
By mentioning that those persons who have already applied in the first advertisement need not to be applied in the second advertisement. Then your lordship has said how it can be happened that without cancelling the first advertisement, how a second advertisement can be published.
Yes.
Then your lordship has personally called the CDPO. The CDPO has told that it has been done on behest of the sub-collector. Then your lordship has called the sub-collector personal affairs. On the said date, the sub-collector has told that it has done behind his back and he has been kept in doubt. Then your lordship directed the present sub-collector to inquire about the matter.
Yes.
The inquiry report has already been submitted.
What is the finding of the inquiry?
Your lordship kindly see.
See the inquiry.
And I've got the total record also. That also I'll produce. Whether the sub-collector, it is within the knowledge of the then sub-collector or not.
वो तो झूठ बोल रहा था पक्का झूठ बोल रहा
I'll show the documents here also. Your Lordship, kindly see page 4 of that affidavit. Para 6. Last 6 line, my lord. Last 6 line. It is pertinent to mention here that on the comparative statement of the candidates of the such and such organization, it is not clear that the signature of the sub-collector Sonpur has been intentionally erased or gradual loss of signature by the time. Likewise, on the comparative statement and the proceeding of the Procedure Selection Committee meeting held on 7/9/2018, out of 5 numbers of members, the signature of the sub-collector Sonpur and medical officer Tarawa seems fainted.
Seems fainted.
Fainted. As if on the signature some liquid is poured on it accidentally or intentionally. Your Lordship, kindly see the
पके देला तो liquid आजकल साइज छड़े पे liquid मिलुची मार्केट में.
Your Lordship,
साइज छाड़ी गला तावरे कभी मागिया मु साइन करिनी. से गला मु साइन कर दी से कर.
Your Lordship, kindly see those papers, those documents, the original.
There is something wrong.
On the right hand side, I've tagged it as 1, 2, 3, 4. The blue color.
अरे गुड़े अंगनवाड़ी वर्कर तो अपन करे पे इतने corruption प्रभु.
On the right hand side, I'm marking
5000 के 2000 देवो. एक तो 5000 तो आगे 2000 दोचले.
True.
आप पे इतने corruption.
It has been happening. It has happened in this case.
How even बड़ा officer माने.
Prima facie, it has happened in this.
So I have to give it to crime branch.
My lord,
Any person who is involved,
Your Lordship, kindly see the flag mark, right hand side flag mark 1, 2, 3, 4. Blue color, right hand side.
I'm handing it over to crime branch.
My lord, kindly see right hand side blue mark 1, 2, 3, 4 flag mark. I have rounded the. I have rounded that for area with a pencil mark.
अच्छा गुटे कथा शिशु विकास अधिकारी का सिग्नेचर क्लियरली रहिला. जो गोष्ठी सामाजिक सुरक्षा अधिकारी तरफ तांकर सिग्नेचर बढ़िया रहिला. तापर ये अध्यक्ष उपजिल्लापाल सिग्नेचर पड़ेगा.
Your Lordship, kindly see the back side of that one. Kindly see the back side of that paper.
ताले गुटे काम कर गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर मान को कौन से लोग पेन रे सिग्नेचर करे गुटे डायरेक्शन रे बाहर करे पड़े मान को समस्त डॉट पेन रे करंतु. डॉट पेन रे अधिक दिन रहइबो ना. एमती उड़ीबनी हो.
उड़ी एक्चुअली सब उड़ी.
हां जितने स्कैन करके रखला उड़ीबनी. सबसे बेस्ट स्कैन करके रखो डॉक्यूमेंट.
My lord, I do have a marker. It is a erasable marker.
I know that. हां आपका एक है. मैं तो और तरह मार्कर. वो तो साई के मिटाए हुए हेड भी अच्छी है.
So your Lordship, kindly see that Your Lordship, kindly see the back side of that.
ना एटा करा है. से लोकर गुटे काई पिएंदी करा है.
सब जगह रही छी.
केवल से सब कलेक्टर
सब जगह.
तो के करछि एटा.
That has to find it out.
वाह ई कथा.
And on that day the
सब कलेक्टर साइन इरेज कर दिया होची ऑफिस रे माने व्हाट इज दिस. गुटे अंगनवाड़ी वर्कर गुटे.
And on the last occasion, then sub collector was present before your Lordship.
काम कर रहे हैं सीडीपीओ रे काम है.
And on the last
सीडीपीओ रे काम.
And on the last occasion, your Lordship will see the sub collector when appeared personally. He has submitted before your Lordship that it has been done behind his back.
Sad. कुछ भी हो सकता है.
If the custodian will do all these things, then it's very
unfortunate. कहाँ पकड़ रहे फाइल टा सब कलेक्टर.
এটা CDPO को पकड़ लिया.
CDPO पकड़. এটা CDPO ताले करछि आकी करियो.
सब कलेक्टर मगे की करि परि. Because he is the chairperson of the selection committee.
सब कलेक्टर काई मगे. अच्छा एटा एटू एपीआर कला पर मगे थिबो.
Maybe.
सेज पक्का. जो ऑपरेशनल से जाइए मगे ये करिए फिर पेंसिल गोला का कर. अच्छा अपन
I have for your Lordship's
Lekho.
Let's see the finding.
The finding is that the second advertisement has not been done properly. That has been therefore the first advertisement is done properly. The second
but इसको तो कुछ करना पड़ेगा या
it is up to your lordship to decide, my lord.
एंट्री के लिए छाड़ दवा देखो
It is
ये कोड कलेक्टर सब कलेक्टर रे सिग्नेचर साई रे मिटी दिया होची एटा छाड़ देवा कथा एटा छाड़ देला तो गला सब साहस बढ़ी जो समझ they will do anything they like
the most important is how fearless the then sub collector you will also.
किए थिला से छोड़ ना किए थिला से थोड़ा
Mr. Balram Malik.
Who is Bala?
Now he's working on secretary, deputy secretary or something like that.
बुलाओ उसको बुलाओ.
My lord, your lordship, direct.
The Mr. Balram Malik, who was the then sub collector of Sonpur, be present before this court on 11th October at 2 p.m.
11th, I made.
What is it? What is
Olga.
12? No, 12 to 12 about move 12 I may not be there. So 10th? 10th. Secretary asked you 10th to explain his role in the entire selection process.
The second selection
process. And the second selection process and the conspicuous absence of his signature, conspicuous erasure of his signature by using some erasing material.
Some liquid or something.
Erasing material, liquid, कुछ भी परे. Why should I have erasing material लगला? Erasing material.
So should I keep this file for?
Yeah, please you keep it. नहीं ना वगैरह काम आओ दिया नहीं जी आपने दे दी कौन कर दी फाइल रखो ओरिजिनल फाइल भी kept ये हम चैम्बर ज़्यादा पोटेंशियल भी हाँ सील कवर
Your lordship may mention in that order.
देखो पियान लगा दे फिर वो गैर कर दे
Your lordship may mention in that.
एक से एक अच्छा थी
Your lordship may mention in that order.
हाँ the original record be kept with the DR register with sealed cover. Allah.
Your lordship has fixed it to 10th.
10th at 2 p.m.
A free copy of the order to communicate.
Issued. Next.
Item 51.
51. 51.
51, my lord, sir. 51, I need 2 weeks time to file the counter. 51, 52, my lord.
This is the third time, my lord.
I know, my lord.
As a last chance, the state is granted 2 weeks time to file the counter, failing which the court, failing which there shall be a cost. Allah.
Date of fixed.
Date is 15th November. Next.
52.
52 is also same.
52.
But it is the second time.
52, lordship, there is a mistake also, lordship. If the
already, I think there is a IA, there is one direction that no court-saving action should be taken.
That is there, but I am praying for stay operation of that.
Which one? This one?
52.
52.
52, lordship, 52.
Your lordship has already passed the
time.
I am asking for time.
Okay, the interim order to continue. Interim order. Interim order to continue. Next.
Your lordship has fixed it.
Hey, same day that.
Same day.
15th.
Okay. Next.
53.
53.
We have a petition for 2 weeks time to file rejoinder.
Mr. Pahali is appealing for the petition to time to file rejoinder. I am for the opinion number 1 and 2 for LIC. And on the last one also, the opinion number 7 or 8 for file time to file counter.
Which was for whom?
For the petition.
Last chance.
Let him fight.
Let it come after
15 November.
My lord.
15 November.
Obliged.
Next. 54.
54.
My lord, for item 54, on behalf of the Union of India, I'm praying for adjournment, my lord.
अरे यूनानिमिटी एडजमेंट कभी तो आर्ग्यू कर लिया करो।
My lord,
कभी एडजमेंट मांगते रहते।
there is a circular related to ex gratia compensation in the
What
month
is the
of.
circular? Get it?
I'll get instruction on that.
What are the
That railway, my lord.
Get the circular.
124A, 1.5 lakhs.
Upload extra upload रखी है सामने। अच्छी। फाइल इसलिए कौन है? वीडियो अलग रखी है ना सर्कुलर सब अलग रखी है। बट सर्कुलर स्क्वायर बाइंडिंग में रखी है। ये तो लोग कुछ ये लास्ट शीट रखी है अलग कर देते हैं। सब फाइल
I pray for next week, my lord.
next week.
Let
1st November छुट्टी पर।
let's let it be 17th. 17th.
17th, no, it is 17th.
17th October.
55.
55. Publishment.
55.
OP has not filed counter.
My lord, 55 on the last occasion, my lord has ordered the direction to the petitioner to file a add
We have already cost actual.
Okay.
amendment of the constitution.
Okay,
Copy not served. my lord.
सब एक
Almost got it.
amendment of the court of the error. Then the copy.
Direct file the counter, my lord.
Yeah, petitioner.
No, I am not.
Yes, for the petitioner.
I'm for the doctors, my lord. Nursing home was not the meant the party, my lord. Yes.
Not meant party.
No, my lord.
That we have.
For that, my lord.
We have
He has done it.
already filed.
Now he has done it. Okay.
My lord, I have
The
to file the
consultant shall be
Bokalatama.
filed and a copy of the said cover.
Yes, my lord. I have to file the Bokalatama also.
Madam, direct to file the counter, my lord. Despite direction,
You
they
you
have not
file the
filed
counter.
for the last
And the hospital is directed to, hospital authority is directed to file the counter.
Right.
Next. OP number लगेगा ना? OP number कितने लगे ना?
हमें OP 4 and 5 for.
OP 4 and 5 file the let OP 4 and 5 file the counter. 56.
56, my lord, 1 week time, my lord, I filed rejoinder.
Okay, 1 week time granted for filing rejoinder. This is the matter on 9th November. 57.
57.
May I please? It can be disposed of, my lord.
No, in this case, today I am filing the counter.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sorry. Some other day.
And that is a case, my lord, I am claiming for the that is insurance claim. That is a time bar. 3 to 4 months thereafter, after death of my wife, I have filed the entire paper before the authority concerned. On the delay ground, that has been rejected. On last occasion, your lordship opined that
Today I am filing the counter affidavit.
yes, yes, that is there. They are same thing.
I have already solved. I have already
Filed just now. So, list the matter 6th November. You want to file the reply, then you file.
No, more reply. Most of the ground nature 9 delay upon se कहते your lordship. Delay टा condone का खाली आवागा था. स्त्री मरी गला पिला को नहीं.
Delay करें
but the only one.
Because I have made in some of the cases I made told them to make IRD as a party where the what अच्छी जल्दी कौन सी accident है वो कौन है वो immediately जो था you go and file immediately माने कितने दिन is it 4 days, is it 5 days, is it 100 days or 3 months, 2 months, whatever. There should be clarity on that.
Clarity. Regarding the accident
IRDA
case.
should make a clarity in the policy itself.
My lord.
So policy paper clarity and
policy paper it is माने एना mention है.
entire country रे सब insurance company मानी हुए तक.
Policy
That's why I made
policy रे 90 days लिखा है. Policy
immediately लिखा है जुगाड़ बहुत सारे immediately लिखा है.
ना immediate regarding the accident तो
सीधा immediately लोग accident से treatment आगे करियो कि insurance claim आगे करियो.
In that case I get.
Natural जैसे बाबू नाम.
That is the natural conduct of human beings.
कार दरकार थे जीवो कर दो अभी. ठीक है time live है ना सब somebody serious है ये जी hospital पड़ी जी hospital से तक देखभाल करियो कि जाकर insurance company ସେଇଟା ବି ଦେଖିବି ନା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେ ପିରିୟଡଟା ଇମିଡିଏଟଲି ମାନେ କେତେ ଦିନ ସେଇ ଜିନିଷଟା କ୍ଲାରିଫାଇ କରିବି କରାଇଛି ଟିକେ ଅଟକି
ମୋର ଛୋଟ ଛୁଆ ଦିଟା ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ମରିଗଲା I am regular from that trauma.
ଠିକ ଅଛି see that
six reopening day
6 is not reopening the 30 तारीख କେତେ ଛୁଟି ରହିବ
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ କହିଲି ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ହେଲେ I can get justice from your lordship.
You can get any time, no? If you have a good case, you'll get justice.
That is a good case.
Then if you don't have a good case, nobody can help you. So anyway, let it come on 19 then.
Right.
Oh, Dasara chutti parvar video you can enjoy your Dasara. Next.
58. I may be pardoned, my lord. In item number 50, your lordship, the personal appearance of the then sub-collector. Your lordship may fix it up to 2 PM.
2 PM तक.
2 PM.
2 PM through
2 PM.
virtual board. रे आशा दरकार. Always through virtual board. आम कोर्ट रे कागो पर्सनल डाकू. Virtually बसिसन. Next.
58.
My lord, in this case, I am the respondent number 1.
You for the okay.
Respondent. So my car was damaged during my driving and at the Paradip board area not accident, damaged. Thereafter, I approached the company and my mistake was that on 11/9/2022 incident was occurred. But typical error, it was been written that 15/9. So they didn't consider my thereafter they rejected my claim and I
need to consider, sir.
I am approached the ombudsman. my lord.
And short
I am
adjournment, my lord,
I am
because my
approached the
senior
ombudsman.
is
After
not
ombudsman
well
passed order,
yesterday.
they are now coming here, my lord. They are
Ombudsman, what did it say?
they after rejecting my claim, I approached the ombudsman. my lord.
What is the ombudsman?
Ombudsman has clearly stated that you pay the entire amount.
They will फिर कब आसले? तापर भी दोना.
So see, Aston.
Oh, तमें सर.
Yes, my lord. On behalf of Mr. G.P. Datta, my lord.
जहाँ भी आप राशन दो. किसी नहीं. आपने देवक पड़ेगा. है ना?
I prefer a short adjournment, my lord.
Let it senior नहीं तो छोड़ देंगे. Let it come on 16, eh? 16.
Obliged, my lord. 59.
59. Republic of India को कौन पढ़ेगा?
No, it's I'm appearing for the petitioner.
who is this Hema Lakshman?
My lord, she is the petitioner. She is the
I know petitioner. कौन है इस इधर?
my lord, the brief facts is that my lord, the petitioner here is impugning the order of the past order dated 3rd of May 2023 passed by.
कौन पे involved चला? कौन टे कोई भी नहीं?
She is the prosecution witness. Her husband was arrested and accused, and
prosecution witness.
she is a
party है.
my lord, her gold ornaments were seized by the CBI, and
witness रा कौन पे सीज कले?
my lord, that's the CBI to.
कौन Mr. नायक आज पर आइंस्टाइन वाले देखा जाओ जो?
Your lordship's investigation is pending. Her wife could be a probable accused also.
Oh.
The wife has admitted that.
Probable accused जे मतलब accused तो है नहीं ना ये.
हम charge sheet my lord January रे file कले नहीं.
अब probably के लिए केंद्र करिए. ताको जल्दी
Your lordship's further investigation is pending. She is saying that the entire gold ornaments, she doesn't have any source of income. Therefore, your lordship, we are presuming that that has been purchased from the proceeds of the crime. Your lordships, that has been kept.
Husband होची कौन? Husband.
My lord's husband is an accused, not a main accused. He's an accused.
Husband is accused ना?
Accused.
तो यही पर से proceedings of crime में किन्हीं तो सुना.
451, 457 petition is already allowed, my lords. I am here before your lordships only on one condition, that the condition that has been imposed is extremely onerous.
Condition.
My lords, your lordships may come to the impugn order, my lords. My lords, the condition here is that I have been asked to furnish a indemnity.
Impugn order तो देखा.
Yes, my lords. Page number 27, my lords. Of the page 27, my lords. 27, my lords.
27.
My lords. The bottom part, my lords.
Just. This is passed by the CBI court.
Yes, my lords.
Okay. कौन लगी जी?
My lords, here it is ordered that with the condition that the petitioner shall furnish self indemnity bond of rupees 65 lakhs along with one surety bond of rupees 65 lakhs.
कितने value रो gold ornament आपको जवाब दीजिए कि?
My lords, it's close to near about, as per CBI, they are assuming it to be more than 60 lakhs, my lords.
No, not assuming, your lordship. Your lordship said there is a value.
My lords, as per them, it is valued, my lords.
No, as per it was valued, your lordship, 64 lakhs.
They have also their value.
Yes, my lords.
They calculate the value and they do that.
My lords, beyond this condition, I am also challenging the other two conditions, which is at the subsequent page.
Okay, issue notice.
My lords, notice is already issued, my lords.
No, अरे CBI हमारा assignment no है. Mr. Sarthak Naik.
Yes, your lordships.
ना बोलते अलगा कुछ कुछ जीवा भूल रहे.
Lords, 2016 onwards, my lords, your lordship has the assignment. My lords.
CBI
the value. Your lordship, the value.
It must go to court number 5, I think.
Court number 5.
Because all the CBI and
Yes, my lords.
ED assignment setting is.
Justice House Court. my lords.
Vigilance, setting. Sorry. I didn't see that. Let the matter be placed before the Chief Justice to assign the appropriate times. Next.
Item 60.
May I please? The petitioner suffers from a order of disengagement.
This is that case, your lordship kindly remember. Gram Sathi, sir, work assign hela Gram Sathi को जेसी यूज करछि बोली ग्राम रोजगार सेवक को टर्मिनेट हला सर पॉइंट मु टिके देइति गोटा शॉर्ट नोट टिके खाली दीटा कहि दे आई हैव सम दिस
यस
हार्ड कॉपी टच
आप क्या बोलते
Yes, the inquiry report is enclosed at page 8 of my counter.
मु देखे दे
I will only read the last 4 lines.
so let me submit thereafter my friend will submit
Crux of the case, nothing.
I will submit that also I will submit thereafter my friend will submit lordship kindly have a glance जो इंक्वायरी रिपोर्ट ता सर कहउछन सेटा मु कहउची
सेटा मो पहुंचे साइड नहीं
सर अपॉर्चुनिटी भी देई नांती
अपॉर्चुनिटी कोन देबो एथि पे अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया जाय
सर सर देखनु
ग्राम सहायक ग्राम
सर काहा को कामोडा असाइन
अपॉर्चुनिटी आपण कोन बुझवा
सर कामोडा असाइन का कहउची मोर फर्स्ट पॉइंट होची कामोडा असाइन हिती गां साथी की सीए कंप्लेन निजे कला पुनी विड्रॉ कर देला से निजे कला जे
सर आजकल जेसी मशीन यूज करके पैसा नेगिर पडोछन जेसी सस्ता पड़िबो घंटा मेसिन आसिले सब धरन 10000 टका हला आपण 100 लोक ना लगी लखे काय उठे नेबेन
अच्छा सेटा जी सेटा ही इज रेस्पोंसिबल सर माय केस इज दैट sir my case is that she is responsible if at all JCB is used she is responsible so lordship kindly have glance to page 10 Sukumari is assigned with the work Sukumari assigned with the work तो मु 2006 रु ग्राम रोजगार हिसाब रे काम करूची सुकुमारी असाइन हला काम रे तो लordship kindly से पेज 16 2014 रे तो काम असाइन करले पेज 16 सर annexure 5
कौन कहतु ना इश्यू कौन
सर वेरी वाइटल पॉइंट
मैं तो आपण गुडे जिंस डेमोलिश करंतु जे आपण जेसीबी मशीन यूज करिना
सर मु करि परिबिन पर मु काम तांको असाइन हला मु केमिन यूज करबी ग्राम साथी OP7 को सर दैट इज द क्रक्स ऑफ द मैटर
आपण के
मु से ग्राम रोजगार सेवक मु पंचायत रे हेल्प करिया था सरपंच को मते किंतु टर्मिनेट करा हला
Lord, there is a connivance of Gram Rozgar Sevok as well as the Gan Sati, and the inquiry is conducted. During inquiry, it was ascertained that the work was executed by the work which should have been executed by the laborers, Lord. They used the JCB machine, and after paying the hiring charges of the machine, the
आओ किसी देखिबा ना भाई
सर आ गोटे पॉइंट
इनक्वायरी रिपोर्ट हिसाब मु जेबी मु आओ किसी देखिबी
सर गोटे पॉइंट देखे दोची हमको 30 डेज रो नोटिस मैंडेटरी सर टाइम दीचनी 7 डेज annexure 6 पेज 17
आपण एंती काम न करिवे तो आ कम
नै सर मु करि परिबिन परा मोर काम
करिवे मिसिक करछथि
सर मोर काम हला मु केवल मास्टर रूल मेंटेन करिवे तो लॉर्डशिप काइंडली हैव अ ग्लांस देयर इज डायरेक्ट जजमेंट योर लॉर्डशिप
रिपोर्ट एट पेज 56
योर लॉर्डशिप काइंडली हैव अ ग्लांस टू द जजमेंट सर जजमेंट ता देची जो जहा को काम असाइन थिबो he is not responsible he cannot be responsible
order reject
sir 30 days दबा कथा 7 days that is also another point सर टिके सेटा न देखिले आई विल बी हेल्पलेस सर हेल्पलेस हे जिवो सर 2006 रु काम 12 वर्ष पर ताको टर्मिनेट हेची
आई बेग पार्डन माय लॉर्ड
सर टिके सेटा खाली
टर्मिनेट केबे कले
टर्मिनेट करचनी सर 2018 रे 12 वर्ष परे दैट वाज 7 days नोटिस सर 30 days
7 days ठीक देछन
ना सर 30 days पर गाइडलाइन कहू 30 days मैंडेटरी वायलेशन
मैंडेटरी आपण जो वायलेशन कले सेटा किछ नै
नहीं मु वायलेशन करिनी सर काम करिछि गां साथी सर काम करछि
बेसिक सब करछि
नहीं सर मु करि परिबिन पर
बिना कनाइवेंस
सर से नीचे लिखि दे सर जेसीबी यूज हेछि बोली रिपोर्ट नै सर अपील रे कंफर्म कले मु कहि दो कि मैकेनिकली हला मु टे कहि सर टिके
Lord, before the disciplinary authority as well as the
appellate authority mechanically confirm kale टिके सर देखंदु ऑर्डर टा काइंडली हैव अ ग्लांस टू द रिपोर्ट इटसेल्फ सर से जो डिसएंगेजमेंट ऑर्डर टा भी टिके देखि दियन फॉर ए मोमेंट
कोड अछि पेज
सेटा होची एनेक्सर 6 रे मु जोटा देखौथिले आगे 7 डेज नोटिस हला तापर टर्मिनेशन ऑर्डर रे निजे कहले कलेक्टर टर्मिनेशन ऑर्डर केते दियो टर्मिनेशन ऑर्डर नहीं टर्मिनेशन ऑर्डर सेथरे करेक्ट मोर नोट चले टर्मिनेशन ऑर्डर कलेक्टर का रिपोर्ट रे भी कहउछन जे जो 48000 टका 6 जण बांटी कि नेला 8000
20 and 21
हां ठीक नहीं 20 21 एटा रिसीट नहीं
यस
ता पूर्वट सर पेज 21 सर पेज 21 ता पूर्व पेज आई एम सॉरी पेज 20 सर पेज 20 रे पैराग्राफ 3 सुकुमारी देहुरी गां साथी सबमिटेड एन एप्लीकेशन सी निजे वर्क ऑर्डर इश्यू हला ताकू सी निजे कहूचे जेसीबी मशीन यूज हला ता निजे अगेंस्ट रे पैराग्राफ 3 सर एलिगेशन अगेंस्ट चंद्रकांत महंत से दी जन जा गोटे गां रे तेनो एलिगेशन से करू जे
ଏଟା ମୁଁ କୋଉଠି କଣ ବିନା ମୁଁ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ କରୁଛି ଯେ
ନାଇଁ sir.
କିଏ କଣ କହିଲା
Sir, on record.
on record ଯେ
Sir, ସେଇଟା
what about that finding ସେ କଣ କହିଲା
Sir,
କଣ
finding ଟା
record
ଏଇଟା
ହେଲା ମୁଁ
କହୁଛି।
କହିବି।
Sir, finding ଟା
But
ଏଇଟା-
inquiry report is also against you.
Sir, finding ଟା ଏଠି କହୁଛି the matter was inquired into by project director କେଉଁଝର sir para 4 ଟା ପଡୁଛି who was reported that portion of the work was executed by the laborer and the portion of the work executed estimation after paying 40 balance amount 48,000 was equally divided 6 persons GRS and gram Srimati Sukumari ଯିଏ ଯାହାକୁ work order ଦିଆ ହେଇଥିଲା so 8,000 each ନେଲେ the project director
ହଉ ତ ହେଲା ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ
Sir, then next page. Sir, next page.
I beg pardon, my lord. In item
I will know here, sir. Sir, I will be no here. Sir, ठीक है कहूची. This honorable court has settled the law. If the work is not assigned to the person, he will not responsible. Held responsible.
अगर मिसिक ଯଦି କରୁଛୁ
नहीं sir, ମୁଁ ମିଶିବି କେମିତି? He is the
ରିପୋର୍ଟ ବାହାରିଲା
person.
ଆପଣ ନା ଜାଣେ
Man, he is the person concerned who was assigned with you work. ସିଏ ପୁଣି sir ପୁଣି withdraw କରିଛି.
ତାହେଲେ 8,000 ଭାଗ ଦେଲେ ବୋଲି କେମିତି
Sir,
ଦେଖିଲା
interesting aspect ଟା ହଉଛି ସିଏ ପୁଣି withdraw କରିଛି.
One thing, had you been disengaged on the ground that
ହଁ.
the work was supposed to be executed by Gahasati
Sir,
and this person did not execute the
sir,
work,
ଟିକେ ଖାଲି
then the argument which is advanced that he was not entrusted to the work, how could he?
Yes, that is the
But here the question of misconduct is there.
No, sir.
Even
Sir.
if the work has allotted to Gahasati, but in connivance with this petitioner in connivance with Gahasati, used those machinery equipments and completed the work and balance amount.
नहीं कलेक्टर का फाइंडिंग ଟା सर टिके खाली गोटे धारी पड़
मिसकंडक्ट पे जाई
नहीं नहीं मु खाली कहि दोची मिसकंडक्ट नहीं सर
कलेक्टर ऑर्डर कहि
सर कलेक्टर ऑर्डर रो पैराग्राफ पेज 21 पैराग्राफ 4 सर सी कलेक्टर कोन कहि छन टिके देखि दो हैविंग हैड चंद्रकांत महंत थ्रू द रिपोर्ट सर पळे आसु काइंडली हैव इट लुक टू पेज नंबर टिके लेट the purpose of providing job seekers the it start
jobs to the
2
job
3
seekers and thereby
6 line the GRS are expected sir इसे कौन कहले the GRS are expected to keep eye on execution of work ensured no labor dispensing machine utilized for the project expected
that is your fault
sir sir mo upare sarpanch
complaint kai kale ni tapare
sir mo upare sarpanch tapare ji tapare video सर मु कंप्लीट करियार स्कोप नै सर मो काम होची
काम हो जेटा भी कहबे आपण
मो सर मास्टर रोल मेंटेन करिया
मास्टर रोल मेंटेन
सर जेई
जेसीबी काम हो मास्टर रोल केन
नै सर जेई पर अछंती एग्जीक्यूट करिया पे सुपरवाइजर पे जेई इज देयर
नो इट इज योर ड्यूटी टू इन्फॉर्म द हायर अथॉरिटी
मैन जेई इज देयर वीडियो इज देयर से कहा को असाइन कर सर पुनी से विथड्रॉ कर दीजिए पूरा अगेन सेम पर्सन my lord same person has withdrawn
My lord, I beg
give a note
I beg pardon, my
सर
lord.
नोट टा दे दीजिए
आपण की
Item number 58, मतलब. There is a IFS stay, मतलब. That-
58 रे कोड पढेले म बे
60 चलछि
60
साला पर कहबे होबनी
60 चला सर मो जजमेंट
ओके गिव ए नोट
yes
सर मो शॉर्ट पॉइंट टा हला जे मते काम
आपण कथा बुझी गली मु ता कथा ही बुझली मु जा लिखा कथा लिखी डोंट वरी हैला whoever is the right side no problem
obliged